Hello. Le habla José Eugenio de la Rosa. I am the owners of Papi Bodega Number 1 Food Incorporated on 187th Street and East Tremont Avenue. Thank you, everybody, for listening to Bodega Boys. They support me. I want to say it's very unfair the way they're talking about me because I selling K2, okay, papi, a spice to the Blanquitos in Bushwick, okay? That's my other bodega over there. I don't have no problem with that. I telling them this is for food, not smoky. Es para la comida, papi. Tú le pones a little bit and your chimichurri is delicious. It's not for you smoking like la hierba, papi. Okay? If I'm telling you not smoking K2 and you smoke it, that's not my problem. Okay? Like my niggas over there say, it's lit. Okay, papi, dame el beat. Tírame el beat, papi. Ahí, tírame una vaina heavy ahí. Ah, tíralo. Hey.
Live from Red Bull Studios, New York.
Yo, episode 30. Bodega Boys in the building. We made it to 30 episodes. Oh, how did that happen?
Oh, it's like
shit's out of control.
We should celebrate because it's like being 30 years old in the hood.
It is like we're ancient. We're going to AARP in the hood.
You know what I'm saying?
AKA Salsa con Fuego. Yo, it's your boy Desus Nice, AKA Young Chipotle, AKA Pocket Say Fat Like Terrio, AKA Chris That's Porcelain Dick, AKA Eli Litby, Butcher's Gully, Slow But I Might Know You Bitch, Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, Desus Takes Fuego, Mr. Nando's with a Rando, Million over the Center 94, Mikhail Gorbanov, who keeps going off, AKA your problematic babe. Wow.
Oh, come here. Yo, it's your boy that came out, a.k.a. the Human Durag Flap, a.k.a. Dominic McDab, you know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Curve Gotti. You know what I'm saying? Don't jump in my mentions, nigga, because you'll get curved. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Ben Smack B Young Boy, a.k.a. East Street, my TVB. Stevie B. Catch me at Freestyle Fest 2015. G and off with your DD Vet.
And check the list.
That's right, because we on it. Don't forget it.
And you see him in Target with his kids.
Don't even approach me.
Don't look him in his eyes. Approach him like a bear.
Shorty said, so homie said that, seen us in Times Square. And
he did. He approached us like a bear, and I respect that. He's very... He said Bodega Boys. Mm-hmm. He put his hands up in a non-threatening position. Right. We respect it because we're not cops.
That's right.
You know, and we let him live. You know what I'm saying? Shout
if you put your hands up, unlike the police, if you put your hands up, we will not shoot.
We respect.
You know what I'm saying? We respect your surrender.
You know what's interesting? Last week, a lot happened. When we recorded, it was just the cops killing people. Yeah. And then the day our shit dropped, your man went all GTA in Dallas and shit.
He did the unlimited guns code. Then he goes back in the garage
like what the? He's
moving around all crazy. What are you doing?
He killed 5 cops.
Yeah, he's getting the RPGs. Yeah, better be.
You can't kill cops.
Hold your head out there.
Like you could say kill a cop, but you can't really kill a cop. Like that's too far.
You get in mad trouble for that.
Not only get mad trouble.
You know what it is?
You're not gonna kill a bad cop. You're gonna kill like a friendly cop.
Yo, I was about to say when they showed like the pictures. One of them was like this very like 20-something looking like
fresh, clean cut kid.
Yeah, like
join the force to make a difference.
Like yeah. Like I know.
Those are the people when people kill cops. Those are the cops that get killed. It's never a racist that chokes someone out.
Yo, and every
it's always someone like a three generations
exactly.
in. Like they live for that shit.
They love it.
Then this shit is whack.
He's the guy in every police procedural that's like the rookie. Yeah. And he's like, yo, I want to do everything by the book.
My grandfather was a cop.
My grandpa was a cop, and he was a real
stops
good
another cop from doing something fucked up. You know what I'm saying?
So you just murked the cop that was going to stop the other dude from killing another nigga. So
yeah.
Thanks.
So thanks.
You know what I'm saying? And don't kill cops. Just be like, yo, fuck y'all. You know what I'm saying?
There you
go. In a reasonable fashion.
There you go.
You know what I mean?
There you go. That'll do it to you.
That's it.
There you do it
to
you.
Yeah.
And then like Fox News was trying to say that that guy that killed him was a member of Black Lives Matter.
Nah,
I never seen him at no meetings.
Never.
All right. How come he never, like a girlfriend never came out and was like, yo, I know. I feel like he's an industry plant. Yeah. I don't want to get into this, but all right, it's like he's the black Jason Bourne and he came out of nowhere.
Can I give you a fuego hot take right now?
Go with the hot take.
Why? It just so happens, anytime that somebody murks somebody or does some type of mass shooting, immediately photos out.
Yeah.
Even if it's like the wrong one first, but something comes out immediately. No photo for this dude for mad long. I'm like, all right, this is a little fishy. When the photo finally comes out, it's a dude that's like straight out of the Boondocks. Kente cloth, dashiki, black power fist. I'm blackity black and I'm black, y'all. I was like,
come on, man. And then they killed him with a robot bomb.
A robot bomb.
Okay.
It's like, no, what happened? You got a 4-kill streak. You call it a robot bomb.
They asked the chief. They was like, so you had to kill him with a robot bomb? He was like, yo, he was wilding. He was writing shit on the wall in blood. Relax, my guy.
Okay.
Like, we're buying this.
Okay.
You know what? When you lie to your girl and you keep adding on to it, you like, yeah. Like, yo. So I left the club, right? And then I saw a guy get hit by a car. So I had to call the ambulance.
I called him,
but
and then I tried to help him.
I had to help him. I was pressing down pressure.
I was
on the
pressuring,
wound.
and then he thought I was trying to rob him, so he pulled a gun on me.
You know what I'm saying?
And
I
he
had to
shot
wrestle it
at
back.
me. So shit, we was just wrestling, and like shit was just
You're
crazy.
overdoing it, man.
Come
if
on.
you're gonna lie to us, just lie to us.
Just lie, B.
And
You
then
don't gotta
shout
give
out
me a
to
Nicolas Cage movie plot.
Shout out to the cops using a robot bomb, and NYPD was like, I can't wait.
Oh man, I can't wait. I can't wait.
Like,
I can't wait.
NYPD's gonna be using the robot bomb for niggas that hop the turnstile. You peeing in the alley.
There's a robot bomb in the building lobby right now waiting to blow up your cousin when he comes out to get a Dutch.
Oh man,
You know what I'm
just
saying?
wait.
So just wait.
You know how lazy cops are? They're gonna be in the car right there waiting for the robot bomb. Using that shit as like the RCD or whatever for Black Ops 2.
You man's gonna be on his phone and swiping over from like Twitter to swipe on. Yo, oh shit, let me get the robot bomb app. Yeah, hold up. Oh shit, I think this thing's happening. Train. Hold up.
And the thing, like, nobody is like, yo, that's wild. Like, you cannot blow up on American soil.
That's crazy.
With a fucking robot bomb. You
That's
could do that in other countries because we call it a drone and it's cute.
Yeah,
you know what I'm saying?
It's cool.
It's cool.
You can throw it in a speech. Like,
we don't care about little
our
brown
drone attacks
kids.
are precise and they don't kill any little brown kids.
Yo, drones in Call of Duty are mad precise. Drones in real life, not so much.
Not precise
at
at all.
But you know what? With a
You can kill one nigga with a drone in Call of Duty.
Yeah,
but not real life.
In real life, you blowing up a whole wedding party and not even getting the real guy.
Not even.
Well, you know what?
He's 6 blocks that way.
We're still tinkering with it.
You know what I'm saying?
You know,
God's working on old drones.
they had like there was like a sad story where they were saying like kids in like the Middle East and stuff, they only go outside to play when it's cloudy because that's the only time drones can't fly.
Damn.
That's kind of like when we're in the hood and shit, and we know it's like it's a weekend at the end of the month, and we avoid the main street to go on the side streets to avoid the undercover cops.
That's right.
Knowledge dart.
There you go.
There you go.
You know what I'm saying?
Yo, fuck Fox News, by the way.
Oh yeah, word.
Try and throw Jamila Lemieux
into the tracks.
The homie.
You know what I'm saying?
The problematic intersectional feminist.
That's right.
The homie though. Like they straight up lied. They said that what did they say? That she said it was okay to kill cops?
It was okay to kill white people because that's not a hate crime.
Oh. Well,
which is literally not what she said at all.
Right.
It was the other dude. It was the other dude doing that mocking. You know when you say something and somebody repeats an exaggerated version of what you said to you in a mocking tone?
Right.
That's what that guy did. And then they took that and said that that's what she said.
Wow.
I was like, yo, you serious? You think it's okay? And they got a blue check. See?
Listen, the devil and Wendy Williams don't sleep.
They do not.
They do not sleep. They're always out there waiting.
You know what I mean?
Go Wendy.
No.
Go Wendy. Shout out to Wendy Williams. She had to crawl on her albino knees and beg for sponsors to come back after she's lambasted HBCUs.
Yo, it's crazy to me, like, and we were talking about this before.
Polar bear.
I'm like, yo, why the fuck would you say that when your audience is black? And then you're like, nah.
Her audience now is white people.
Is white people.
It's white. It's people at home in the daytime.
But then I'm like, white people fuck with Wendy Williams? I don't know any white people that fuck with Wendy Williams.
You don't really know any white people like that though. Like you're thinking like New York, East Coast white people. I'm talking about like middle of America white people. Like
middle America, middle America.
Because you know what? To us, Wendy Williams is Wendy Williams from like Kiss FM or whatever, WBLS.
Yeah.
To them, she's just Wendy Williams, a host, like Judge Faith. Like, you ever stayed home in the daytime and like you turn on a random court show and it's just like some random person hosting it?
Nah, I never ever was.
Oh, you never been unemployed?
No.
You never woke up
all the time.
You never woke up
I never
at
woke
9?
up at 3:30 p.m.
Smoked the L and be like, yo, I've been working on my resume, and then you send it out 5 times an hour, and you're so pissed because niggas ain't calling you back, and you get to the point you're not even spell checking your resume, and your objective statement went from wanting to help an innovative company with my talents to nigga, I need a job.
Dog, I was at a certain point I was so apathetic that you know how you will lie on your resume in order to get a job?
Right.
I wasn't lying. I wasn't not lying on my resume to be honest and be a good person. I was just like low key like, yo, I kind of don't want to get a job. Like, I want to go through the motions of like, yo, I'm trying. You know what I'm saying? But I don't want to actually.
You didn't have bills and shit?
I mean, like I did, but there's ways to pay bills without a job.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. No, when I went legit, it wasn't like hustling or anything and just was trying to get a job. Mm-hmm. That shit is the most soul crushing process.
It sucks.
In the world.
Yeah.
Like, you upload your resume and then they want you to like type in your resume on the next screen and shit like that. Niggas don't call you back. To this day, I sent over 200 resumes. I had never got a call back.
Damn.
That's ridiculous.
That's crazy.
That's ridiculous.
Resumes are bullshit.
I got the Apple Store dubbed me.
Why?
I have no idea. I guess I wouldn't mix with the culture.
They were like, yo, we already got 4 black guys.
Apparently, I'm not
so racist.
I'm not Apple.
Everything's racist.
You know what I'm saying? Maybe I have a little hot takes. There's certain words when you work at Apple.
So that's why you're so anti-Apple.
No, but there's certain words you can't say when you work at the Apple Store.
Like what?
They can't say like I think oh man.
I was told by
no
Apple.
Like there's certain you can't say something like I'm sorry or some shit like that.
Wow.
Yeah, like the Apple Care workers, there's certain words they say, and then there's certain shit you can't tweet. Like that shit is like a cult. Like people don't know, man.
Yo, get out of here with that. Y'all are wild.
You don't know that, but listen, shout out to Apple Store because I got to come buy a new MacBook charger soon. So I'll come through with a little petroleum jelly on my cheeks and pull them apart at Grand Central, and you guys do what you do.
They would do that without petroleum jelly because I paid $300 to get my screen replaced.
Yeah,
which was infuriating to say the least.
I remember
like,
TechServe used to let me like switch out my power board all the time. You know?
Yeah. Why can't I do that?
Because Apple don't need your money.
They don't.
But they're just gonna take it regardless. So
they got so much money.
Yeah.
Yo, Apple, can y'all just give us each $5 million? That's it. Like, not to do anything, just to give it to us. It would literally not even move the needle for y'all.
For brand influence.
Yeah.
That's it. That's all people do. No one wants to do that.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what it is? That's why we have to thank the sponsors.
You know
Shout out to
saying?
Red Bull.
You know what I mean?
We're live here. 220 West 18th Street.
Oh. They got little papers here that says the Wi-Fi network and the Wi-Fi password, but also more importantly, at RB Studios NY is their social media contacts.
Right.
You know what I'm saying?
Shout out to Zika. Shout out to Narcan.
You know what I'm saying?
And shout out to our sponsor, K2.
Yo.
33 people OD'd in
Wow.
Brooklyn on the Flatbush Bushwick border.
Yo, and
so
people
by
say-
some nice ass houses that y'all are overpaying for, some apartments that you're gonna be caught dead in
You and your
20 years
roommates.
ago.
Yep.
All right, you're all sharing
I
one pair
remember
of black
being on
jeans.
Bushwick and Gates and literally bullets bouncing off a pipe on scaffolding.
At one point, you used to have to walk out there with like a razor out because like shit was grimy.
And niggas from
But
the
now
Bronx.
shit is
We're
great.
from the Bronx.
Now shit is great over there. And 33 people, they say 33 people OD'd on K2. Actually, you gotta hear both sides.
Yeah.
33 people got exactly what the fuck they were looking for from K2.
What are you talking
All right? If you go to Lobster Fest at Red Lobster and you, at the end of the day, your stomach is full of lobster, guess what?
That's what you wanted. That's what you came here for.
That's what you came here for, dog.
That's what it's made for.
Dude, shout out to
You know what I'm saying?
Yo, that's...
Yo, but honestly, nobody smokes K2 because they think that it's like weed.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Like, because that's
what
what
K2 because God did you wrong.
That's the crush
your
they're
life
standing
went
on.
the wrong way at
Like,
some point.
synthetic marijuana. Nigga, this shit is more like synthetic dust. You know what I'm
That
saying?
shit-
Like, this shit is not.
Every time you smoke K2, you're sucking on Satan's dick.
Yeah.
And you know what's going to happen.
You never know.
At the end of the day,
You don't know what he's been eating that
you
week.
don't know.
You
He's
know what
been
I'm
eating a
saying?
lot of asparagus. Okay?
It might be quiet
It's
for
not
you.
clean.
Maybe he hasn't been pineapple.
He
You know
hasn't
what I'm
had a
saying?
wheatgrass shot in a minute.
No way.
Oh, you don't want these
Just
problems.
filthy processed food.
And
You
people
know
are
what I'm
like, yo,
saying?
they're nodding out. And then, like, they're interviewing people.
Were they nodding out, though?
They're
I
nodding.
thought K2 made you lose your shit. What about the football guy that got naked and went to the precinct?
That's the thing about K2.
You never know.
You never know. You're
You're rolling
spinning that
dice.
wheel, dog.
You're rolling
pulling up for
dice.
40 with your life. You don't know. It's like, you don't know. It could be like, hey, maybe I'm just going to bend over backwards on this hydrant, or maybe I'm going to play Pokemon Go without a phone.
Why am I an idiot because that intrigues me incredibly?
We have
You know
to,
what I'm
at some point, we have to smoke K2
We
under.
had the K2 challenge in like a padded room.
We got in a padded room with
a partition.
EMS
Yeah.
and cameras and shit.
Yeah.
Red Bull will sponsor it.
Yeah.
It's going to be lit.
It's gonna be super lit.
It's gonna be lit.
They definitely has a partition though, because I don't want to like rip your intestines out and like eat them or some wild shit.
It's going to be crazy.
Yeah, it's gonna be too much.
Crazy ableist slur.
That's true. Yeah. Ding.
Ding. Problematic light went on.
Yeah.
Nah, we're gonna do the K2 challenge. We're gonna do all the drugs. We're gonna do a little heroin,
all
little
the
sweet lady
drugs.
H, little brown tar challenge. We're doing it for the community. We're doing it for the Be Excellent Academy.
That's true.
So the kids can see the effects of drugs.
Yo, what if we do it and it looks super lit and all the kids are like, yo, we're gonna smoke K2, shoot dope.
I'm just imagining us behind like a partition and like 30 school kids watching as we're like naked tearing apart a hotel room. And I'm smearing feces on the glass.
Oh, no.
And the kids are like, are they all right? I'm like, BX Academy! BX Academy!
Ah!
I like rip out my arms and make an X with the
Start
bones.
smashing it on the fucking. Yo, that's crazy. It's
Don't
like
do
the
this,
zoo.
kids! Don't do this! I'm like peeling my face like a fruit roll up.
I'm like pull my eyelids over my head.
Don't
like
do
a
this,
fucking
kids!
do-rag.
Did you get your book bags?
No.
I give out the 1,000 book bags and just fill with body parts.
Giving myself a neck tattoo.
We're gonna give 1,000 kids neck tattoos for back to school.
Straight up.
The BX Academy. We're gonna tattoo their blocks on their names
know what I
so
mean?
they have some respect for the neighborhood.
That's true.
See?
Own your neighborhood.
Own your neighborhood.
You are your neighborhood.
Yo, shout out to Pokemon Go. I got banged on yesterday apparently because I've been playing on it.
Okay.
Apparently I have to pick a team.
You gotta pick a side, Loke.
So it was like join team Mystic Master Race. I was like, no,
Whoa.
we're gonna chill with that. I don't know.
Wow.
I don't know.
It says Master Race in the game?
It doesn't, but apparently online that's what people say.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
I don't feel comfortable with that, brother.
Mystic Master Race.
I don't know what to say with that.
I mean, can you kind of like, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. how you
Wisdom
can
over
finesse that.
instinct, calm over valor, observe, adapt, evolve. And I don't care. I can't play Pokemon
Wasn't that
Go.
in main conf?
Huh?
That was
That
definitely
was.
main conf.
Oh,
That's in the first chapter.
I don't know, man. I can't do. I I mean, if you think about it, the whole Pokemon Go game is very problematic. You're Boko Haram.
Basically,
you're snatching up innocents as they go about their daily business for your profit and
you're
enjoyment.
literally growing them into your empire of fucking sadistic filth. You know what I'm saying? Because you got to hash the eggs.
You got to hash the eggs.
You know what I'm saying? They don't know no other life.
They should have made it a drug game.
They should have.
They should have, like, you could go on people's
Can
blocks
we just
and
take
take
that
over?
engine and do that?
No, because Google will have us murdered.
Fuck them.
They'll have us murdered the way Hillary Clinton and Bill Clinton had over 30 people murdered.
Apple, bro. Then we switch to Apple, and then it turns. We can turn anything into an action movie. Google tries to come for us. We go to Apple. Apple has our back. We get Apple
I feel like
weapons.
Apple wouldn't help us if Google was trying to kill us.
We get an eye gun.
I feel like Apple would help us 2 years later after Google tried to kill us. And they announced it at a keynote as a new product in their phone that's overpriced. Shout out to Apple.
No headphone jack.
Yeah, they're about to get rid of the headphone jack.
I like how you broke boys is mad about that. We wireless for 2017 and beyond. You heard me?
Yeah, shout out to
no wires.
Shout out to everyone whose car has Bluetooth, even though most people's cars don't have Bluetooth. So how are you going to be playing music off your phone without the aux cord?
You gotta get Bluetooth out here. You know what I'm saying?
Look at you.
Gotta get Bluetooth out. Yeah, I want my people to better themselves.
Can I talk about something? I'm Young Day Room. I'm Young Hot Take. Okay? I'm Mr. Green Room.
Yes.
Yesterday,
oh boy,
your man, the Bronx Stevie B, threw a temper tantrum in 1515 Broadway because he ordered French toast and he did not get syrup.
They didn't have no fucking syrup. But nigga, what the fuck?
Are you?
What am I supposed to do with French toast with no syrup, sir?
French toast with no syrup.
What am I supposed to do with that?
Wow.
No butter.
That was
nothing.
your biggest problem yesterday.
It was fucking. That shit got me tight.
Oh. 3 years ago.
You go do your job, do it right.
3 years ago, me and you were walking down Madison Avenue.
That's true.
So frustrated, I was about to call someone to get an eighth of Coke. I was about to go back into the streets. And now you are over here bitching about French toast.
Let me tell you something.
Yo,
look
at the come up. Look at the brand is strong.
Yo, we came up. Well, what?
But what?
Making it happen.
You really threw a hissy fit over it.
Listen, I don't come in here and
Mero
tell knock-knock jokes.
screamed on 3 people.
You know what I'm saying? I don't come here and tell knock-knock jokes.
Yeah.
If you coming out to get my food, my nigga, bring me my food. You know what I'm saying? That's all.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
All right.
You know?
All right.
I know you feel me.
I can't knock you.
Because, yo, honestly, tit for tat, Young Day Room over here, Young Green Room, Young Party all day, came out with some J's. Then we hopped in the car. And it started to very lightly humidify in the air, maybe what you would call something, whatever comes before drizzle. And my man pulls out a spare pair of sneakers to put on in place of his Jordans that he has on because they cannot even get a nano atom of water.
I don't understand why that's relevant to what we're talking
but we
about
Hollywood
right
now, my nigga. We just gotta accept it. We just gotta accept it.
We're Hollywood now.
That's it.
I'm about to tweet out All Lives Matter like J-Lo.
That's it, bro.
Just be out of touch and shit.
Yo, that's it. I don't know. I can't relate.
I'm about to show up at Summer Jam with a Blue Lives Matter t-shirt. Like, yo, Ebro sent me. Yo, yeah, we're Hollywood now.
Yo,
what's wild is we're Hollywood, and we're not even really Hollywood.
No.
Wait till you come visit me in my house in Calabasas. And Drake is there. Yo, I had a dream the other night, and I have to tell you people about this dream. So in this dream, it's me.
Speak on it.
It's Drake and it's Odell Beckham.
Oh man,
we're just hanging. Like Drake invited me to his house.
Is it dancing involved?
Of course, it's dancing involved.
Okay.
So basically, Drake is like being overly friendly, as is his custom.
Right.
And Odell Beckham is there, and like he won't stop dabbing and doing like these fucking like Drake is trying to talk to me seriously, and Odell Beckham's doing like flips and shit. And, like, he's like dab. And, like, he's doing all this shit. But the weird part about the dream is like I'm hanging with Drake all day and shit, and like we're going shopping and shit. But they're running up the wild tab, and all I have is like my Discover card. So like we're at like Fight Club, and like Drake is buying like 5 pair of Jordans. Odell Beckham is clearing out the rack, and I'm just like going through like the clearance rack and shit. And I'm trying to keep up. So at the end of it, we go. I guess it's King of Diamonds, and they order mad bottles. And finally, I have to speak up and be like, "Yo, chill. I don't have it like that." And Drake kicks me out the VIP.
Oh no!
And I keep having this dream, and I don't know what it means.
Drake, why you doing like
Drake,
that?
don't do me like that, man.
Come on, son.
Come on, use the check sender.
Come on, man.
Check writer.
Holla at your boys,
man.
bottles
of Charlemagne.
You know what I mean?
Bro,
holla at us.
Shout out to Joe Budden calling Charlemagne Donkey of the Day.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow, Joe.
He said that he could be bought with bottles.
Wow.
It's true.
Yo, Joe's been getting very emotional about things lately.
Is he not wrong, though?
I mean, about Charlemagne?
About just everything.
Everything? I mean, like, I feel like Joe's very much like Azalea Banks in that he will say something that he'll put a little grain of truth in a mountain of like bullshit.
Actually, I feel more like Joe Budden is like Hannibal.
Okay.
In that when we first he's very into himself, but as you get to know him, you get to you get to hear more.
Right.
And from our interactions from him, I feel like like this is like he's got there's a reason for this beef. Also, I feel like there's like a third song on the way.
Right.
So and each one is more exposing and more. Yeah. They're not just like gunshot blasts. They're kind of surgical. So,
Okay.
I respect it.
I
like lyrics.
I
don't like Kendrick Lamar. Like, all right, rapidly, I'm an alien.
Yo, robot voice.
He killed a verse recently. I can respect what he does, but the voice, the frequency hurts my ears.
I mean, yeah, it does.
It sounds like the girl in the 80s movie Splash.
Wow.
The mermaid.
Taking it back.
When she would like talk in mermaid and it'd be like high pitched. And we're gonna remake that movie with Ashanti. How hot is that? Ashanti is a mermaid.
Ashanti, I told you last week. Text me. You haven't texted me yet.
Did you see her at the hip hop honors?
Text me.
Her thighs, yo, dog. Her thighs look like the fucking turkey leg you get at medieval times. That's how I want to rip into it. Damn. I want to rip into it like a panda ad lib.
Damn.
Panda.
Thicker than Cole Farina. Like I said yesterday.
You said that shit yesterday. I was like, whoa.
Wow,
that's the old street harassment black man. Thicker than Cole Farina. What are you? You sit out there with an E and J pouch?
Yo, the Crown Royal bag with weed in it.
You fixing a El Dorado underneath a tree?
While smoking a menthol. A cool 1000.
While freaking a Black and Mild. Wearing an Essence Fest 1986 airbrush t-shirt. I was in Baton Rouge.
Two-tone do-rag with a hole in it.
Oh, I got arrested with Charlie Murphy.
Shit is wild, man.
Yo.
Damn, you were just saying something, and I'm smacked.
Yo, there was a lot going on. The ESPYs, did you watch that yesterday?
This shit was so dry, bro.
Yeah.
Yo, it was mad sad, because there's always something mad sad. Something always happens where, like, somebody dies or something. Shout out to kid Xavier. Very brave guy. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to you. It was this kid who's like 15-year-old football player.
That's the dude that jumped and took the bullets for the chicks?
Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Very like Boys in the Hood.
Yeah.
Was it Ricky's Boys in the Hood, right? Yeah.
Yeah, but Ricky didn't really jump. Ricky
was
zigzag.
trying to escape. He was trying to zigzag.
All right. Also, Ricky just
chugged mad when you zagged.
Ricky just chugged mad milk. And as someone who's lactose intolerant, like now you
That hurts just to watch. Yeah.
So
I had like a
how
sip
he
of
did
milk
zigzag, but he was supposed to go away to college on a football scholarship. Like,
come on,
dog. Be quiet for you.
Listen, SEC was not for you, fam.
Shit.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
If you couldn't dodge a fucking
bullet,
little bird shot,
you know what I'm saying? Come on, dog.
Ricky. Yo.
Damn.
Shout out to that dude that gun. Yo, that's such a weird gun. That's a gun that you could buy at Walmart. Mm-hmm. My brother was like, because I was talking, my brother lives up in Binghamton, and I was talking to him, and I'm like, yo, I should probably get a gun to have in the crib, and he was like, yeah, I got mad guns in the crib. I was like guns? He's like, nah, they're all like shotguns. I was like, I mean, to protect your house, a shotgun's pretty sufficient. Like if dude runs up in your crib, you just cock it once, pow.
Also, yeah, because you don't really have to aim it. You know what I'm saying? You got
exactly.
that spray thing.
Yeah, you just went,
and then it's not gonna like go through a wall or anything.
Exactly.
Nah, but then again, every now and then you want to come through with the AR-15 and you want to come through with the fucking infrared scope. You know what I'm saying?
Headshot.
Like if someone breaks into your house, you pull out the AR-15 with the fucking red scope, and you put the red dot on their chest.
It'd be like the warning outro. They go like,
you got a red dot on your head.
Oh shit.
Yeah, that's what you gotta do. That's what everyone. I've said it so many times. That is the American dream to legally kill somebody. Yeah. Just because you got this dream about being the good guy with the gun. Because you got the cowboys and shit. Like, no, that's not how it works.
That's how it works.
But you know, you want to get our George Zimmerman on.
Yo, kidding me?
You just imagine, because you've done it many times. Just imagine like someone broke into your house now.
Oh, dog, I got all kinds of plans.
And you go kill them.
I got all kinds of plans.
You just use your strength and like rip out their intestines and shit.
I actually have scissors and knives
all over the house,
placed around the house just in case.
Yeah.
There's definitely a scissors in each room, and there's probably a knife in each room.
Yeah, I got weapons in each room.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Like
that's that Bronx life. That's that Bronx life.
I've been watching too much Game of Thrones too, man.
Yeah, I don't watch that shit.
Yeah, it's too many brutal deaths in that shit.
Game of Thrones. Only throne I recognize is throne of my Lord Jesus Christ.
Oh, you about to say Jesus Christ? See, that's how Hollywood you are, nigga. You ready to start that mega church, boy?
Wait till I get into Scientology.
This nigga right here. Yo, hot takes. Scientology is just a tax scheme.
Yeah, well, I need that. So
you know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
Shout out to y'all. That's all the mega rich celebrities are.
Wait till I'm in there with Tom Cruise and shit.
Oh, I can't wait.
Gotta bring an Apple box so he can stand on top of it.
Imagine being just chilling with Tom Cruise.
Yeah.
Like Tom Cruise hit you up like 10 in the morning. Yo, what's good, my nigga?
Like I got him in my phone. It's TC.
TC? Yo, what's good, fam? Yo, you got 10, my nigga? Yo, match this L with me.
Yo, come through.
Yo, let's go play golf.
Yeah.
Yo, I can't wait. Nigga,
who would you rather hang with? DJ Khaled or... Wait, we met DJ Khaled.
Yeah, we met DJ Khaled. He's
fuck this.
Yeah. It's like, yo, fuck this game is over. We're not even going to play now.
Yo.
I thought you were about to get into that high shit where you ask people about hypotheticals.
No, this ain't even hypothetical. Our life is a hypothetical. Yo, I was in La Marina last weekend.
Yeah.
I've been in La Marina for 3 weeks in a row. I've never been to La Marina, and now I'm a thought.
Yeah,
I'm a thought. People, the staff at La Marina knows me.
You're a thought.
You know what I'm saying? I'm out there. I'm out there
but
with
to
my
be fair,
people.
you were a thought before.
Yeah.
You went to La Marina. Like,
Yo, your man Jadena, who sings Classic Man.
Classic Man.
He performs.
Okay.
But he didn't perform Classic Man.
Well, then why was he there?
He performed mad other songs. Here's the wild part. So he's on stage, and he sees me, and he points at me, and I'm like, yo. And I'm like, what the fuck just happened?
Every shorty around you was like, oh shit.
Well, I was there with my crew. I keep a team.
Okay.
At La Marina. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to all my people. Shout out to Mark. Shout out to Paz. Shout out to everybody. We out there. You know what I'm saying? We out there. But you know what I'm saying? We got a little cabana and shit. But I guess we really are Hollywood.
Yeah, I'm telling you, bro.
You know?
I'm like, listen, when I realized that it really was for real, is because before I'd be like, I was standing in line for some shit.
Mm-hmm.
Now I'm like, I'm not standing in line for nothing.
Yeah.
Fam.
Nah, I'm still standing in line for shit. I'm not standing in line for Henny Palooza in Coney Island. Please check it out.
Yeah,
shout out to Cash, shout out to Low Key and all them.
Shout out
they
to
just announced it. That shit gonna be lit. I don't know if we're gonna be on rides and shit,
Coney
but
Island?
someone gonna die.
Oh, the ride's gonna be open as Henny Palooza?
I don't. It's Henny Palooza on Coney Island.
I'm going
dog.
there and I'm bringing 3 phones with Snapchat.
Gosh,
active.
it's gonna be lit.
Somebody's gonna jump in front of him.
Niggas gonna die.
Someone's gonna die in the hellhole.
Someone's gonna die.
Someone's gonna throw up in the hellhole.
You know
Is that shit still on?
You know how much money Nathan's gonna make after that shit?
Oh man, so much dogs being eaten.
Can't wait. Niggas, just chicks for Snapchat just long dicking fucking hot dogs and shit. With the dog filter.
With the dog filter.
Yo, shout out to all my girls out there that look better with the dog filter.
Yo, shout out to y'all.
All right.
Honestly, there's like a couple of y'all that I follow. I forgot what you look like.
Yeah.
Without a dog face.
Without the dog face, I'm like, whatever.
What you
But with
look
the
like.
dog face, it's like, yo. And it's like, dude, when you see the dog face, is it like subliminally saying you want to hit it doggy style?
Or is it subliminally saying that you're a furry?
It could be.
You know what I'm saying?
It could be. You can't be like, if you follow a girl because she was on Snapchat with the dog filter, if he shows up with like an anal plug with a tail on it and like tries to dress you up as like 101 Dalmatians or a pound puppy.
No.
Listen, you gotta go with it, man. I said pound puppy. I took it back with the rat wash reference. Do y'all know about pound puppies, my fellow millennials?
Yo,
go on
pound puppies is
Wikipedia.
lit.
Find out about how at one point in an American populace, people were buying dogs. They were buying toy dogs instead of actually adopting dogs from the pound.
So they were adopting the pound puppy, but they were just paying for a toy.
They were basically Cabbage Patch Kids, but dog versions.
Yeah.
And they came in a cute little carrier.
Oh, yeah.
Because I remember my little sister said she wanted one. Mm-hmm. And my father said, no, you have a cat.
You have a cat.
You have a cat.
You don't need no fucking
Thundercats.
puppy. Thundercat.
Jump cat.
What a dumpy cat. Yo, it's crazy because, shout out to Nintendo, because Nintendo's doing exactly what, I feel like we've said this. I don't know. I feel like we make up everything, but we probably do.
We do.
Cashing the fuck in on nostalgia, my guy.
That's where the money
Pokemon
is.
Go elevated this shit by like $9 fucking billion or some crazy shit like that. Now that they're bringing back the Nintendo, the original NES, like that little mini version.
Yep.
I'm like, yo, come out with a Walkman, my nigga, and I'll pay for it.
We're gonna bring back Double Dare.
Yeah.
We're gonna bring back Double Dare in the Bronx.
That's right.
It's not gonna be fun and it's not gonna be slime.
Nah.
It's gonna be like K2 and shit.
It's gonna be fucking the shit from the back of the garbage truck. You gotta run down Tremont naked while Jamel chase you with a loaded weapon.
A pair of Too Religious sloucher as he wears fucking Nike flip-flops.
Yeah.
Yo, shout out to Nintendo though, who did the Bronx dirty. Why we got whack Pokemon?
Rattata and Pidgey.
That's it.
That's it. And
when
Zubat.
you open
Like the
Pokemon
dirty
Go
Pokemon.
in the Bronx, like the Pokemons, they be sleeping or they be like smoking the L
That's
and
it.
they put it out.
That's it.
And them niggas got like a Gucci belt and shit. They're
That's
like,
it.
yo, let's go. Like it's in Manhattan, the Pokemon hop in the ball.
Yeah.
They don't resist.
They don't resist.
The ones in fucking Bronx will throw hands and shit.
They want to
stack
scrap and
gangs
shit.
and
You know what I'm saying?
That
Like you
shit
said,
ain't
there's only
cool.
like 3 of them. Fucking Rattata, Zubat, fucking Herpes, and what was the other one?
Yesenia.
Jasenia. You know what I'm saying?
I gotta use
That's
the
it.
Hookah attack.
That's it.
We're
Hookah attack is super effective.
We're gonna
on
make
Yesenia.
Pokemon Yo. And you gotta go around and like the hot spots are gonna be like La Marina, Sin City, Sue's Rendezvous.
Yesenia used Deacon. It was super effective.
Oh wow, a wild Romeo Santos appeared. Niggas just gonna be in Washington Heights all day, just catching Pokemon Yos. They got wild attitudes.
Yo, we should do Pokemon Yo. This is just bottle waitresses.
It's just bottle waitresses.
Like all the
to
pop
catch
ones.
them.
Yeah.
And you could you could catch them and you can like do the fucking silicone injections to get their hits points up.
Bottle waitresses and strip club DJs.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Because we got to keep it gender equality.
You gotta keep
You
it
know what
gender
I'm
equality.
saying?
Why? Because we are intersectional.
That's right.
And we are inclusive.
That's right.
So shout out to
No
all my
misogyny.
Shout out to all my LGBTQs.
TQ. You got
Out
it.
there.
You got it.
Got it. I got
No.
Yeah, I think that was it.
It's not. There's an
Yeah,
I
I don't think.
and a.
Does the order matter?
There's
Oh
I
yeah,
A.
I and A.
I A.
Oh wow, you took the deep cut.
See? There you go.
Wow,
That's
listen, the brand is strong.
It's 20 points.
brand is
You know what I'm
strong.
saying? I just upgraded.
Yeah.
I leveled up yesterday and I
Yeah.
added the IA. You know what I'm saying?
I had a story that goes with that, but I won't. But I would just say my mother's visiting. My
Problematic
mother
moms.
sanded a living room with a butter knife.
You told me this and I was like, I couldn't believe it.
I can't believe
and then I
she
remember,
did this.
and then I realized.
Because if you follow the Desus Chronicles, because my life is like a former MTV show called My So-Called Life.
That's right.
When my parents visit, they uproot my life. They ruin everything. They just destroy my life just constantly. So
I just imagine myself, man, Zesty, talking to you like, yo, that's
You're
crazy.
Ricky? Are you Ricky?
Yo, that's crazy that your mom's is home, yo. Oh my God.
okay, so
She be ODing.
basically last time, if you follow the podcast, last time my father was here, he caught me gallivanting at 10 o'clock on Twitter.
Oh, wow.
And on a Saturday,
Oh, wow.
and as punishment, I had to tear up the carpet in the living room.
Wow.
The carpet is an exposed wood floor. There's glue on it and shit. My mother comes in. The first thing she goes, "Who did this?" I'm like, "You know who did this?
Come on.
All y'all do is talk about
That's
me
it.
down in Florida."
Yeah.
So she's just sitting there, and she's like, for like 2 hours, she's just hemming and hawing, like, you know.
That's the Western thing. Your mom like, yo, come do this.
She's like, I find it funny.
Yeah.
I'm like, you don't find it funny. So I come back and she has like a butter knife and she starts scratching at like the glue on the wood.
Jesus.
So I'm like, what are you doing? She's like, do you think you could rent a sander for the living room? I was like, pardon,
Ma'am?
I was like, I don't know who you. I was like, my name is Young Hot Take, not Young Rent a Sander.
Not
all right?
Young Lowe's.
Okay. Also, you're worth like, I don't know, approximately $98 million. You
Yeah.
never paid for anything, but because I had one pair of Jordans in my whole life. So. She's like, oh, she's gonna rent a sander. So I'm like, all right, you do that tomorrow, whatever. You can borrow the car, go to Home Depot, shit.
Right.
I go about my business. I come back this late. It's 90 degrees or whatever. This lady is scratching at the floor with a butter knife, and she has like a bottle of Linwood oil.
Wow.
Fast forward 4 hours later, there's a new car. There's a new floor in the living room. It looks like some professional came in.
Dog.
She's
No sander.
wilding.
No sander.
Oh man.
No sander. You would have went to the
wilding.
store and got the sander.
I don't-
And brought it to the crib, turned it on. It would have been like, Black and Latino males are incarcerated at a population far exceeding that of. Never mind.
Oh, that was a Bernie Sanders joke.
See,
That was good.
That was good.
That's good. You out here.
Yo, that's wild, bro. But that's like, you see, moms do shit like that. I don't know if
You know,
Low-key
you
she
mentioned
just-
this.
low-key
You
she got-
mentioned this because you said immigrant parents feel that they own you.
Yeah, they
as
do.
a child, you
Absolutely.
are a goat.
Yeah.
Okay,
That's it.
you are livestock.
That's it.
And until their dying day,
Yep.
you are going to do things for them.
Think about it. When you are young, all my immigrant children, what did your parents try to do? Feed you mad food, right? Fatten you up.
Get you big,
Make you strong.
make you
know what I'm
stocky.
saying? Stocky. So you can go out there and fucking mow the lawn and fucking chop down a tree
Yeah.
or bring out the garbage 20 times a day. You know what I'm saying? Or wax the floors or mop the floors or do 20 sinkfuls of dishes. You know what I'm saying?
My mother tried to put up a chore list on the fridge.
You're wilding.
I was like, ma'am, do you understand? I was like, my face is on a building in Times Square. Like, I'm not cleaning the downstairs bathroom. Like, what are you doing?
Nah, you're
Get out of
wild.
here.
You're bugging.
Go check yourself.
You're bugging.
Why do you have so many? Why do you have so many sneakers?
Yeah. Shout out to my Latina
You can't
moms
wear
for
all
letting
these
me cook.
sneakers, you know.
Latina moms will let their male children be lazy.
No, my mother.
Occasionally.
no.
Unless there's company around. If like my aunt's is in the building, I gotta do everything. Yes, ma'am, all that. If it's just me and like my sister, my mom's is low key sexist, so she'll be like, yo, Ingrid, go.
Every
do this.
time, every morning when I see my mother, when she comes out the bedroom, she like if it's not like if I'm still in the house and it's morning time, she's like, "Did you get fired?" Like right off the rip, not like it's a day off or some shit.
Yo.
Just like,
Yeah.
listen, she doesn't believe in a young
Tú no
Chipotle.
trabajas. It rings in my ears. It's like tú no trabajas. Yo, shout out to my mom. But yeah, because my mom does come in and she's a
Yeah.
snowbird.
Yeah.
She comes in once in a blue and she's like, yo, what's up? I'm gonna stay with you.
My mother's not a snowbird; she's like a Pidgey. I guess.
Okay.
You know, she just
All right.
comes, just goes through my shit.
I don't know why you would want to come from a tropical place to come here in the worst time. Like my mom will come here in like January.
I don't know. She had to get like a pair of glasses fixed, and I'm like, what kind of life are you living that it's more cost effective for you to fly up here from Florida to get a pair of glasses fixed? But you know what? I don't ask.
I don't ask questions.
All right.
Don't ask questions.
Like MTV. I'm like Kurt Loder.
Yo,
Kurt Loder.
Kurt Loder. Shout out to Kurt Loder.
Kurt Loder. He's still alive?
He's probably not.
Yeah. He's dead. He's dead to me.
Oh no.
Victor, is Kurt Loder still alive? Victor, are you alive? He's still alive.
Victor's taking a bum nap.
He's still alive. Remember what he said? He said niggers with attitude.
Niggers with attitude. A rap group called Niggers with Attitude. I was like, damn, Kurt.
You kids don't know what we're talking about. We're talking about what MTV News had.
News.
Videos. Like they used to do news and video, and it was just like boom, right there.
There you go.
That's it. That was the format. But
shut the hell.
Listen, life moves on.
Life changes, thug changes,
and best friends become strangers. Woo,
straight up.
When Nas said that, I was like, that's the deepest shit ever. Put that on my locker.
Yo,
next to my Tommy Hilfiger ripped out ad.
Dog, when you smoke weed to listen to Nas, that's like white people listening to Shakespeare shit. They're like, wow, so deep, bro. So deep, so classical. He's painting a picture for me.
Remember we saw those two girls in Times Square yesterday, and they had just seen Hamilton.
Oh man,
and we was like, was it all right? And they was like, it's the best thing I've ever seen.
Oh my god.
No, you can't speak bad about Hamilton.
No, you can't.
You can't.
You better be careful.
You better be careful.
Be careful.
Be careful.
With the next words that come out of your mouth.
Listen, I feel it's easier. You can go out and be like, fuck cops.
Oh, yeah.
And you'll be all right.
Yeah.
You can go out on stage and be like, yo, kill 6 cops.
Yep.
You can't go out there and say, I did not enjoy Hamilton. No. These things are not allowed.
No way.
You will be blacklisted from the industry.
Yo, if you say the thing about killing cops, there's a section of the population that's like, yo, I'm with you. If you say, I don't fuck with Hamilton, literally nobody will bang with you.
Nobody.
Like, I don't fuck with Hamilton.
BuzzFeed employees are trying to burn down your house.
You crazy?
You can't.
Yo, niggas will come for you.
Lin-Manuel got shooters.
He got so many shooters, dog. And they all wear scarves.
And they rhyme in onomatopoeia.
You know what I'm
They're
saying?
going to come up on you. You don't want to get hit with a couplet.
They'll be like, clickety, clickety, pow, pow, kapow.
Talk shit, get hit. Talk shit, get hit. I got my man with them. Talk about Hamilton.
Whoa.
I got my man with them.
Whoa.
Talk about Hamilton. Timmy Turner. They're going to get Designer Hamilton. I want to see that. If Designer plays Alexander Hamilton in Hamilton, I want to see that. Make that happen.
Yo, make it happen, bro. Make that shit really hip hop.
Oh, yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
I can just see Designer on stage doing his like gestations and shit.
Yo, my God. Speaking of maniac rappers, how about my man Rich Chigga out here?
Rich Chigga. Okay, yes.
Rich
Chigga. That is the young Asian boy.
Chigga.
BWO.
Yeah.
Why? He says nigga.
He says nigga in the song?
He says nigga,
Chigga?
right? Does he say nigga or chigga?
I think he says Chigga because I'm saying this because I seen a video of rappers reacting to him, and Ghostface didn't check him. So that's what makes me believe that he didn't say nigga.
I don't know.
Also, I didn't listen to this shit really. I think he says every time he's gonna say nigga, he says chigga. I think that's the joke of the song.
I'm checking Genius right now.
Yeah.
That he straight up says nigga in like the third line.
Really?
He says, "Rogue wave on you niggas, no fail when I hit them." Motherfucker.
Wow.
See, that's the problem. People get a little too comfortable.
See? But then you know what it is?
No. See, this is the thing. We're letting. First of all, he's an industry plan. I'm calling it right now. Hot take Fuego.
Okay.
Dizck Fuego. Rich Chigga is a industry plant.
Okay.
Also,
you think an industry plant would come out and say nigga like that, mad recklessly?
We're talking about him right now.
That's true. But
they got what they want. They got that traction.
This dude is gonna have legs now because those rappers are like, yo, we fuck with this.
But see,
he had rappers on the record being like, yo, this is ill. So now, even if I don't fuck with this shit, I think it's lame.
Here's the thing
but
that social media has exposed to us: rappers are the worst people in the world.
Oh, they're worse.
You cannot trust their taste in food, music, restaurants, clothing.
Listen,
You think about how many rappers that you banged with back in the day. And you was like, "Yo, that's cool." And then once they started tweeting and shit, you was like, "Yeah,
that's what I was gonna say.
I'm good."
Twitter
so to see
and,
people
the
co-sign
internet.
this shit,
Yeah.
you know what I'm saying? Like, I can't bang with this shit. Like, no, you can't. You
That's
can't
what it
give
is.
someone a pass to use the N-word.
No, you
like,
can't.
Like,
But
ironically, or for whatever reason, he's using it.
You gotta get him out of here. But the shit about the rappers is like that's what made me really like. I never had to separate the artist from the art until the internet. You know what I'm saying? Like, and Twitter and shit. Because then niggas went on Twitter and said all types of stupid shit.
Right.
And fuck up everything. And now you're like, damn, Havoc, you really sent a picture of your dick out in the world?
You know, I feel the same way.
I had a totally different view of you, my guy, prior to you co-signing this dude saying nigga and all that, or et cetera. It's crazy.
You have to, the art from the artist. You got to have that separation. It's like how I can still bang with Jared when he makes roast beef sandwiches.
Yeah.
But when he's diddling the kids.
Nah,
you know,
I'm not with that
I'm
at
not
all.
With that at
I'm
all.
not with that part of your life.
Disappointed.
No.
Disappointed.
I'm not cool with that section of your life.
He's still probably getting child porn sent to him in jail.
He's
Which
nasty.
listen, God's working on all of us. They probably works for him. I mean, he's in jail already. He can't hurt no kids. So. Damn.
I mean, but he is hurting. It's not a victimless crime.
It is not a victimless crime. That's true. But
child pornography is very.
Damn, got dark fast.
Serious,
dark Desus.
Misery Mero. Child pornography exists. It's a fucking plague on society. Think
Never
about
gonna stop
that.
it. Watch when the sun burns up the sky.
What? It's disgusting.
Racial discord in America is at an all-time high.
All-time high. The race war is imminent.
Race war. Now coming to the stage, white genocide.
Yeah.
I think we could cash out with white genocide right now. If we never show our faces, but we just make like the mad hateful songs.
Oh God, we will crush.
We crush. Like make trap. We're gonna make trap songs for racists.
10 threads on Stonefront.
Like boom.
You know what I'm saying? Early.
Boom. I lynched a man today.
I lynched a man today. Oh my God. No.
We can make money. Get that for the K. Just a KKK turning up.
It has to be fucking damn. But if we did white genocide and did like threw some banjos in there,
yeah, a little Taylor Swift sample.
Total rap. Total rap.
Is it worth our souls?
No, probably not. I mean, honestly, I have to provide an example for my children, so I can't. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean?
You went an hour without talking about your kids.
I did.
Wow, you don't really love them.
No, I do love them. Yo, actually, my 3-year-old yesterday, my wife called me just on some check-in shit, and he was in the background, and he said, "I miss you, Daddy," mad loud in the back, and it was fucking beautiful.
Aw,
it's beautiful.
That's sweet.
It's a beautiful moment.
That's sweet. When I was in La Marina, the bartender was like, "Yo, you're back." So similar. Similar to that.
Damn, you back already?
I was like, "Yeah, what's up, Mom?" He's like, 3 weeks in a row.
Yeah, stop putting so much fucking ice in my drinks.
Nah, come on. I only drink his beer out there.
Okay, I respect that.
That's
how you got. That's how you know a real New Yorker. A real New Yorker will go to a club and drink straight beer because they understand.
I'm not trying to drink
ice
I don't
cocktail.
want no fruit flies in my drinks and shit. I used to be a bartender in a New York City club. As I've had every job. Somebody was like, "How are you? How did you do security?" Yo, you could ask. Like, the thing is, like,
you don't got to secure shit.
Everything I've said on this podcast, like, you can vouch for it and shit. Like, Andrew Schultz knows I did security. Akash, like, there's mad comedians and shit that know bouncers that was like, "Oh, Jesus, these used to be knocking niggas out with us." I'm small, but I'm wily. Choke you out.
He's scrappy. He's like a white basketball player.
Also, I had a flashlight. You'd be surprised how much ass you can beat in a nightclub with a flashlight.
With the cop flashlight? Yeah,
the cop flashlight.
Forget about it.
Because think about it. You're in a dark room, and now I run up with you. I turn on a bright halogen beam. You're blinded, and now I'm just wailing at your knees. Yeah. Like, how many?
You went for the knees?
That was a regular Friday, dog.
Okay.
Because you can't hit people in the head with the flashlight. That's like murder.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Damn, I used to go straight for that.
If you come from behind and hit them with their knee, like, they'll fall down. Because we had off-duty cops that would teach us how to do that. Shout out to Shelter. Shout out to Tracy. I forgot what club she's running now. She's Asian. She does not age.
Okay.
She is one of the
Pharrell
best
aging system.
She's one of the best nightclub owners in the city.
Shout out to you.
She runs nightclubs and shit. So that's my boo. She gave me my start. She was gonna hear this and be like, "Oh, Jesus, my baby."
Shout out to Crowbar.
There was once a fight at Club Shelter, and the fight was so out of control. Security was like, "Fuck that. We're just gonna let people fight." And we threw her over the bar to protect her.
Was that in fucking 25th hour?
On 39th Street. It was crazy. Crazy, able to slur, but I mean that in the lit way.
In the lit way.
That we mean in the Bronx.
She was lit.
Because I'm Eli Litby.
That's right.
That's right.
Don't forget about it. Yo, Tim Duncan retired.
He did. Shout out to him, the West Indian god.
You know what I'm saying?
He retired. That's everyone's dream. He's gonna go home. He's gonna keep the thermostat at 65.
65,
he's gonna clip
reasonable.
Coupons.
Yep.
He's not gonna accelerate when the light changes. He's gonna very slowly go forward.
Yep.
You know what I mean? If he's cold, he's gonna put on the extra sweater.
He's gonna turn the water off when he brushes.
You know? He's gonna head right to the clearance rack at Steers.
You already know.
What I'm saying?
You already know. And Nietzsche's about to buy stock in a Nietzsche. Now that Tim is retired and he has to wear more street clothes. Buy stock in a Nietzsche.
He's gonna join Dollar Save Club because he's gonna cut his own hair.
You already know.
Oh, he's gonna be
with
so
a Flowbee.
frugal.
Tim Duncan, the only nigga with
only black guy with a Flowbee.
Only black nigga with a Flowbee.
Oh! He walks into the barber shop like, "How many ahead of me?" And they're like, 4. He's like, "Just checking." Just go home, cut his hair with a cigarette lighter. Cuts his hair with a hot spoon. Speaking of basketball players, Charles Barkley said black people got to do better in dealing with the
Charles
police.
Barkley looks like a fucking baked potato, my nigga.
Charles Barkley.
Get him out of here.
How about you shut the fuck up, Charles Barkley? We only
Fucking
respect
clown.
opinions from basketball players with rings. Okay?
Or several Golden Crust franchises.
All right, shout out to Patrick Ewing, the God.
Shout out to Pat.
Patrick
you know
Ewing, the
one
God.
time.
Cheer.
New York legend.
New York legend.
You know what I'm saying?
But yeah, Charles Barkley, shut the fuck up.
Caribana, it's gonna be lit this year.
Charles Barkley, shut up. He's always saying something.
He's a cornball, dog.
He's always talking.
Look like a fucking overcooked pork chop, my nigga.
He looks
Get out
like
of here.
he looks
In a
like
blazer.
Pernell.
He does.
He does.
He looks like dry Pernil in a blazer.
does.
Get him out of here, dog.
Get him out of here.
Yo, and your man, he only does two things: hate on the Knicks and say racially stupid things.
Shit.
Like,
because he's the black guy that if you're white and you're racist and you want to prove you're not racist.
Look, I know plenty of niggers. Look, I mean, black folk.
Talking to my friend Charles.
Look, Charles, come over here.
Charles comes over there.
He's one of the good ones.
Then he does a soft jigaboo to All Lives Matter.
Oh, hey, how you
Hey,
doing?
yo, stop that splatter. I'm a jigaboo and All Lives Matter. He has like the fucking blackface on. Got the white gloves.
Fuck out of here.
WWWWB.
I'm Charles Barkley. Terrible.
Yeah.
Fuck out of here, nigga. I'll fucking duff.
Will you fight Charles Barkley?
I'll fight Charles Barkley.
Yeah.
I'll watch him.
I was thinking the other day if Dwight Howard.
And my side is acting up. I don't give a fuck. I'll still watch him.
So, like, I was thinking the other day because I was listening to old episodes and I was like, damn, what if Dwight Howard really ran up on me? And I was like, I'd give him work.
Yeah.
I wouldn't back down. Fuck that.
Yeah.
Banging on my chest, nigga.
Banging on my chest.
Banging on my chest. And it's quiet for Monster Energy drink. We only bang Red Bull out here. Banging on my chest.
That's right.
I come in your bodega.
Fuck out of here.
Fuck out of here.
Ape nigga. Banging on my chest. You know what I'm saying?
Red Bull gang out here.
Red Bull nigga all day. You know what I mean?
You know what I'm saying?
Fuck Monster.
Fuck Monster. Fuck Rockstar.
Fuck Monster.
Bang.
Violate your shit.
Volley all day.
You know what I'm saying?
I come in your bodega. You got the audacity to have Red Bull out
there.
How
dare you?
You know what I'm saying? You got Red Bull behind the counter. You better throw out that Rockstar.
Pussy. Fuck y'all.
Fuck y'all niggas.
Monster. Fuck your Monster.
Shout
niggas.
to the sponsor.
Know what I mean?
Red Bull's in Germany. Like, no, don't do that. Please don't start in Rockstar.
Slago. Yo, damn, I was about to say something pertaining to what you were just saying about
Dwight Howard.
Yeah, we could definitely fuck him up if he jumped him.
Yeah,
absolutely. Also, let me tell you something about fighting. 9 times out of 10, the dude that you're fighting is not going to kill you. So just get punched in the face, dog. It's not that bad once you get it out of the way.
I mean, in the Bronx, it's different because the Bronx is definitely kick you in the head when you're down capital.
Yeah.
I don't know why that's acceptable. Like, we know that doesn't end well. Yeah. But it's just like, yo, you want to make sure the shit ends.
Yeah.
So
I want to fuck you up so bad that you're like, yo, I don't even want to fuck with this dude because he's
crazy. I feel like when you get into a fight and you get that blackout rage, that whole idea of kicking people in the head, it makes sense at the time.
It makes perfect sense.
You actually can hurt your foot very badly.
Hell yeah, dog.
Heads are very hard.
Yo.
Pause.
Yo, punching people and kicking people, you could damage yourself just as bad.
People don't realize, like, when you punch someone, like, you can really fuck up your knuckles and shit.
Dog, if you punch somebody in the head, the bones in your skull are way stronger than the bones in your hand. You know what I'm saying? So if you punch a nigga in the head, you're probably going to break your hand before you break his skull. You're definitely going to break your hand before you break the skull. So you got to punch for the middle of the face.
Yeah.
The orbital sockets, the nose, that's where this thin shit is.
Actually, if you can come across on the bottom and really just rock the jaw, most people will pass out.
I'm thinking of like if
straight up and
straight up. Yeah. Like if you on the floor, pause, you know what I'm saying? I'm on top, pause.
That's like my ex-girlfriend. She used to keep when she would walk home from the train, she'd keep like her keys in between her hand. She's like, I punch people in the face. And I'd take her down to the living room and show her she didn't know what the fuck she was talking about. I was like, what the fuck are you doing?
Here's a gun.
I was like, what's wrong with you? Here's mace. I was like, you don't punch someone with the keys. He's doing like ha!
Yo,
ha!
Shout out to my man Kisser who bleep that. Niggas went to a fight. It was a fight. You know, back in the day when it's like the Nextel chirp.
Yeah.
And it was like, yo, son, we on the block right now. This niggas beefing. Yo, it's about to fight. Yo, come through. So we all go over there to this fight. You know what I'm saying? It was these dudes from Mars Park.
Right.
And they come over, and this whole thing it looks like Warriors. Niggas about to rumble. My man comes through out of nowhere, and it's just like, and sprays everybody, including some of our dudes, with, not the pepper spray, this shit.
The bear spray?
The bear shit that looks like a mini fire extinguisher. Yeah. Bruh, that shit, like, I was far from that shit, and I was, like, tearing up. Yo, everybody that was within that vicinity was screaming, fam. Like, agony. I was like, yo, I don't even want to know what that shit feels like.
Dog, when I was working security, when I was in charge, I had to send home a security guard because that motherfucker had a big canister of bear spray in his jacket. And I was like, what are you going to do with that? I was like, you're going to spray that in no matter what happens, you're going to spray that in an enclosed space.
You're an idiot. It's going to destroy everybody's eyeballs in here.
So now I'm telling like some 6'8" nigga to go home. And he's tight. But I'm like,
sir,
who pays you?
Yeah.
All right. Desus H. Fuego. Okay?
That's right. So get to stepping.
Desus H. Peso.
Get out of here.
Got stories. I'm going to write a book. We should write a book.
Let's write memoirs.
We're going to write a book, but it's going to be like a flip book. We're going to do a choose your own adventure book.
Oh, shit.
Like that. Like an adult choose your own adventure.
That'd be lit.
Yeah. It's like, if you use a condom or not. That's the choose your own adventure.
We got to do it.
Let's do it. Do people read? Does anyone in here read? Sheldon, do you read? Sheldon reads. All right. Bad man to read.
Bad man to read.
It's a Babylon ting.
Bad man to read no book.
No read no book. Bad man no crook. Bad man no read no book. Bad man in a nook. Bad man with no Amazon fire. Bad man no liar. Bad man now with no Kindle. Bad man a Kindle to a bindu. No. Amazon's like, no. This is not helping Amazon Jamaica. I'm Vibes Cartel for Amazon Jamaica.
Hey.
Do you want to increase the brightness on your Kindle?
No more burning gay people, y'all.
Hey, y'all.
What about reading illiteracy?
What the guan? I'm Lady Saw.
Yeah.
Download my new ebook. Pardon my pussy. Let me stop. Lady Saw is actually sanctified and saved by God. She's a minister now.
She's a minister.
Shout out to her. Listen, that's the jig I'm about to pull.
So she's Sister Saw now.
As soon as some bad shit happens or some scandal or some fucked up shit from my past up, church. Christian Jesus, divine Jesus.
Save Jesus.
You gotta see me in my Jesus scarf.
I found, man.
Find God. I'm gonna have calluses on my knee from praying.
I've seen some things, y'all.
You know what I'm saying?
That's your album cover. Your album cover of your gospel music is going to be your knees and it's going to be
I'm going to send Sheldon the wild judgmental email about how you need to find Christ. All of y'all in this room. Victor.
Mass email. Are y'all still living in sin?
You still living in sin? Victor, you still have the hair of a sodomite? No. Yeah. Whoa. And it's going to be in the wild font. It's going to be in like Comic Sans.
Oh, got to be. Yeah.
With the wild Jesus cross.
14
gift at the bottom.
14-point Comic Sans.
And just the inappropriate ending like, Christ died for your sins. For you. Sincerely, D. When my Lord had nails through his hands, he was thinking about you. What good? What?
Yo, speaking of saviors, niggas talking about trading Chris Stabs.
They're for Westbrook.
For Westbrook.
Yeah. There's nothing blasphemous about that transition at all. I
mean, I was just talking about this yesterday. That might be the only person who
you could bang with it?
Would even fathom.
Yeah.
I mean, aside from like LeBron, but LeBron's not going nowhere.
LeBron's not going nowhere.
He's chilling. He's like, yo, I'm in Cleveland. I won y'all championship. It's been 100 years. You're welcome. And he did exactly what the fuck I told him to do, which is why I tell y'all niggas, let me tell you something. We are influencers, fam. And we're not influencers anymore. We got to find a new term because influencers is mad corny and played out. That's not us. You know what I'm saying? We're oracles, nigga. Ooh. And we went on the podcast. I told LeBron. Precogs.
We're precogs.
Exactly.
We're the hood precogs.
That sounds wild like precon, but that's hot. I'm with it.
It doesn't, but it's hot. That's cool.
It's popping. Yo, I told LeBron, Game 7, sack the fuck up, make it happen, do it, and he did it. You know what I'm saying?
He got an ESPY for it.
He got an ESPY.
ESPYs are not real.
They're not.
ESPYs are participation trophies.
They are.
Let's cut the bullshit.
That's like
do you allow your kids to get participation trophies?
Absolutely not.
Are you one of those terrible fathers?
No. You
don't let your kids get participation trophies?
No, they don't get, because here's the thing.
You feel like you shouldn't get a trophy for just competing?
No, you can get an award for competing.
Right.
You shouldn't get a trophy. There should be some distinction between like, yo, I won this shit and I was here and I gave it my all.
Wow.
You know what I'm saying?
That's terrible.
I mean, you know.
That's terrible. Because I remember I got a participation trophy and that shit meant the world to me.
Oh yeah,
as a child.
Oh yeah. No, I got one too.
You know what I'm saying? As a child, you don't understand that masculinity is so fragile.
Okay.
That you're gonna be an asshole and take away a reward from your child because you want to have some fucking hypo-masculating idea of winning versus victory when it's just a simple event.
Nah, that's a very good take.
That's a very good take. And it's true. It's true because now people are like, yo, I don't let my kids get participation trophies.
But what if it's my daughter?
You don't even have a daughter.
It's not masculinity.
You don't have a daughter.
It would be the same thing.
You don't have a daughter. You don't have a daughter.
I mean,
you don't have a daughter.
It'd be the same.
You don't have a daughter yet.
Yet.
Summer's long. It's about to be hot this weekend. Shout out to Heather's Choach. You know what I'm saying? You might put a little talcum powder on that. You know what I'm saying?
But that's what I'm saying. Like,
you might have to go to the Mount of Galilee or some shit.
Yo,
you might sit Shabbos in that pussy.
You know what I'm saying? It's not. It's not a gender thing. It's just like dog.
It's not a gender thing, but it is a gender thing.
Not to me. That's corny. What? If you're like, yo, it's because it's my son. That's lame.
No, but it's like the idea.
It should just be like, yo, I want my kid to know that, yo, you don't win every time. Sometimes you got to take an L because you got to understand, like, yo, dog, you can't just being here is not good enough, dog. You got to try. Because then you don't want to raise kids that don't try. Yeah, I'm a go. It's good enough. What if niggas just came? What if we just came here and we were just like, yo,
Oh, you mean if we sound like other people's podcasts?
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
If we just pull up, you know what I mean?
It's like, no, but like kids don't understand that. Like no kid is gonna be like, yo,
they don't understand that. That's why you gotta teach your kids.
They're not gonna be like, yo, I got a trophy for not doing that. Like to them, they're amped off of that. Like they feel like they accomplished something.
That's what I'm saying. Like you can give them, kids get something every time.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? You give them whatever. But there's just so that it could be as simple as like, yo, my trophy is green and yours is red.
Right.
You know what I mean? Like if you participate, you get a red trophy. If you win, you get a green one. Right. That's it. Just a distinction of like, yo, I excelled at this. You know what I mean? Amongst my peers. You know what I mean? Because you want your kids to be, especially, yo, listen, everybody out there raising brown babies, yo, instill confidence in your children, B. You know what I'm saying? And teach them to try. You know what I'm saying? Straight up. You know what I'm saying? Because that's what we need, yo. We don't need our children out here thinking they're less than other kids. You know what I'm saying? Lesser than other children out there. That's all I'm going to say. You know what I'm saying?
Wow, you missed your chance to be on Melissa Harris Perry, didn't
You know what I mean?
Damn,
You know what I'm saying?
You've been out there with a head wrap.
You know what I mean?
Oh.
But that's real, yo. You got to teach our kids. Yo, we got to give them confidence, yo.
Gwyneth Paltrow. He's right, though.
Give him confidence, B. Fuck that. Yo, if you did the best, give my kid the biggest trophy because he came out here and he did his motherfucking thing. And he beat Lil Billy, Mulligan, and these other motherfuckers at T-Ball.
Can't wait till some beautiful, stupid woman lets me knock her up and we have a child and we come and judge your kids.
You know what I'm saying? Hey, yo, listen.
When I start my Jamaican Jack and Jill.
Yeah, yo, and
it's
if
called
kid,
Stacey Ann and Barrington.
Dog, and when
we're mad judgmental.
That's
and we
it.
don't hang with your little mixed kids.
That's it. And when your kids are naturally better at jumping off construction ladders onto their siblings, then I will concede and be like, your kids are better.
We're gonna be high acidity.
You know what I'm saying?
Jamaican Barrington and Stacey Academy, and my kids not gonna deal with y'all. Okay, because they're gonna know the difference between what happens when you change from house clothes, the clothes you wear outside the house, to house clothes. You don't sit on people's beds.
Oh,
we're gonna teach them etiquette.
Oh, my kids is
teach
on
them
all
how
that.
to teach how to eat rice.
My kids is on all that.
How to like gossip about other families, but in a classy way, and that's the only reason you go to church.
Listen, my kids is on all that shit. It's good. That's the good thing about.
The only way you enter is you got to get a box of Ray and Nephew, bring it back when you come from Jamaica, and distribute bottles to all the elders.
You gotta drink it with milk.
It's gonna be lit.
Oh god, goat milk. Shout out to goat milk. Goat milk is gross.
No, goat milk works. If you're lactose intolerant, you can drink goat milk. Yes.
I feel like you pulled up with this one.
This ain't Frederick Douglass,
You
man.
pulled up with this one. I don't know. Let's see if this is going to clank off the rim. Is Victor Googling this right now? Hell no, he's not. He's like,
goat milk is a natural alternative to cow milk and can be comfortably consumed by many patients who suffer from cow milk allergies or sensitivity. Although goat milk, like cow's milk and human milk, contains lactose, many people with lactose tolerant can drink goat milk. So you can drink goat milk, and then you could cut that fucking goat up and barbecue him. Where the guan curry goat? Bring him to a... Yo, that's a wild Jamaican flex.
Shout out to anybody that's ever seen a goat
That's a
slaughtered.
West Indian and African flex. Like you pull up with this top down in your car at a barbecue, and you pull out a goat, and you yank him up in the air, slit his throat,
and
throw him on the barbecue.
Shout out to
Peter.
Shout out to Peter. Fuck Peter. Get Peter out of here. Yo, but that's the thing. Like that's if you're there. Like, I've been to mad, like, Dominican functions where they're like, yo, that pig, we're going to be eating that pig in, like, an hour. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? That goat, we about to eat that goat. You know
I went to someone on, well.
And, yo, this is going to sound gross and maybe carnivorous or whatever.
Say it.
But, yo, fresh meat is delicious.
It is.
When it's, like, cooked over wood, pause like that, man.
One of my neighbors,
so good.
He was one of your people. You know, he was of the Latino descent.
Shout out to him.
He killed a rabbit.
Mm-hmm.
And the way he pulled the fur back like a glove, I was traumatized. But that food was so tender. So tender.
Was he Dominican or was he from Atlanta? That nigga's out there eating possums and shit. That's right.
Oh shit, the race was back.
The
City Wars, Region Wars back.
City Wars is back.
Region Wars back.
No, let's chill with the Region Wars.
Chill with the Region Wars.
They don't care. They're dancing at a gas station right now.
Yep. Bigger vines. Have you ever? Do you Dominicans pull up with rabbits? Is that your thing?
Not rabbits, not small mammals. No, not small mammals.
Why'd you say it with such disgust?
Yeah, because it's weird. I'm like, yo, I see rabbits hopping around and shit. To me, the shit got to be. It has to for the animal, for me to consume it. It has to at least kind of like appear slovenly, unless it's poultry,
right?
Because birds fly and whatever, but. Actually, chickens are kind of slovenly because there's birds that don't fly.
How your man Victor really slumped on the wall like he's waiting for his public defender?
Yeah.
Like, this is something new. Victor used to sit in a chair.
Yeah.
Victor's been sleeping on the floor.
Mad alert.
He's over here. He's just
I'm waiting for him to just, like, peel a piece of the laminate off the table to use it as like a razor.
Weapon
you know
or
what
some
I'm saying?
shit.
Like, yo, the metal detector don't detect this.
Look that. Shout out to Victor in the house.
You know what I'm saying?
Brad is strong. Bang bang, the money team. It's the money team. So I'm still unverified on Twitter. People are tweeting for me. It's all right, dog. Relax.
Nah,
I don't care.
It's not that serious.
I really don't care. I hate Twitter. Twitter's ruined my life several times.
I want to be verified on Instagram.
Would that make a difference in your life?
Probably not.
Is it? I feel like getting verified by Twitter. You want to see? Let's get dark. Let's get into some dark Deezer shit. Getting verified by Twitter is exactly what I fear is going to happen when I have kids, because you expect something and then it happens and you feel nothing. So I fear I'm going to have a kid and look at it and be like, nope.
Unless you're chemically imbalanced, that's impossible to happen.
No, that happens all the time with postpartum pregnancy. Depression. The mother doesn't want to deal with the kid. That happens.
The mother. Yeah.
No, dudes do not want to deal with their kid all the time. Like, let's cut the bullshit.
Biologically,
you're like biologically, you're gonna deal with your kid.
No.
I can pull up 5 niggas on Twitter right now. Who are like, nope.
Absolutely. But like, you gotta fight that urge. Because it's an urge. The same way you fight the urge to like...
No, for you, there's that urge because you're a family guy. For most people, I do not feel... Like, for everyone, it does not come naturally. That idea that this is my kid.
No, not that idea. It's just like a... Damn, I can't even explain it. Like, until it happens, it's just like a weird...
No, I'm telling you. Like,
thing.
that's for you. For you, that's what you experience. I've watched people be like, nah, I don't fuck with that little nigga. We've talked about this mad times.
Fam, trust me, I'm Dominican. I've seen it.
Exactly.
I've seen it more times than I can.
Right.
There's an infinity symbol.
That's the problem. Like, you set yourself up for these experiences, and you're like, yo, when this happens, it's gonna be like this. It's like even us. We're like, we're popping, but we're not popping. Like, we're popping, and I beef about shit, but then I see people like going to like regular jobs and shit. And I'm like, yo, their life is wild. I have nothing to complain about. But I have shit to complain about.
Yeah. Shout out to Bodega Hive buying me weed the other day.
Shout out to Bodega Hive. Bodega Hive always come through with beers and shit. Shout out to Baron Ambrosia. Everyone that helped me down at the Bronx Beer Hall, this weekend.
Shout out to Bronx Beer Hall.
Shit's good out here, but shit can also, you can be good but have problems. Like, famous people got problems. Celebrities got problems. Like, we know rich people that got problems, and it's like, I can't even comprehend the problems they got. You know what I'm saying? Like, people, they want to buy houses on the hills in California, and they can't get the real estate agent to call them back.
When you get money, every time you move up in a tax bracket or like in money level, you know what I'm saying? Like, your standard of living goes up, and you can't go back down. It feels like you can't. Like, it feels like you're failing if you go back down to like a prime standard of living.
Stagnation in your life is one thing. Regression in your life, that's the worst.
You can't do that.
That's the worst. Jay-Z said that on the Can't Knock the Hustle remix. He said the only thing worse than not getting old is not getting old. Which, if you think about it, doesn't sound that deep. If you really think about it,
it's mad deep.
It's very deep.
Come on.
It's very terrifying and scary. We'll keep you awake at 1 a.m.
That's right.
And then you got to roll the blunt outside, and then you see a raccoon, and you get freaked out because raccoons are basically the Hamburglar, but mammal form.
Okay.
And they got those little fucking creepy hands.
I was thinking about that today, and I was like, yo, peak 5 minutes. Having animals in your crib is like, it doesn't, who cares what animal it is? You know what I'm saying? Like, it's just gross to have an animal in your crib because it's it's like.
No.
If a raccoon, think about it, society has conditioned you.
If I come to your house and you have a raccoon as a pet, I am no longer at your house.
That's what I'm saying.
It's that simple.
Because somebody 1,000 years ago was like, come here, wolf. Raccoon, get out of here. You're a pest.
Yeah.
If they would have been like, yo, raccoon, come here, we'd be like, yo, what breed is your raccoon?
Well,
look at my raccoon. It's so cute. People
society,
already have carriages with raccoons in them.
But thankfully, society has evolved to a point where we have said that's not acceptable to have raccoons in your house. At one time, it was acceptable for me to come in here with my 12-year-old bride. Okay? We're not doing that anymore. As she's coughing up blood into her handkerchief because she has consumption, and she's never seen a potato because she's a serf.
Yeah.
I don't want to live that kind of life.
The time I realized this too is the first time I had a pet and it shit in the house. Shout out to Brownie for never shitting in the house.
Right.
After being a wee pup. You know what I'm saying? But when animals shit in your house is when you realize, yo, you're a fucking filthy animal and you just defecated in my house, not in a toilet. Now I have to use my hands that I put food into my mouth with to clean up your waste.
Do you know what hubris is?
Your feces.
Do you know what hubris is?
What does that mean? It's like, I've heard that word used 16 different ways.
Excessive pride.
Right.
It's something that like the Roman gods.
I've heard lack of hubris.
No. And the Roman gods would always like be like fucking punished for having hubris. Mm-hmm. You're doing what humans do. Because humans have this whole idea that we're better than other animals.
Humans are better than animals for one reason.
We're not that far.
The ability to reason. That's why we're better than animals.
Actually,
that's the only reason we're better than animals.
Humans are different than animals because we have free will. That's a whole nother conversation.
Right.
But no, hubris is that whole idea that human life is worth more than animal lives, which is why we're so absorbed with ourselves that when we die, we don't just throw ourselves in a landfill. We put ourselves in like a fucking courtyard with a stone. Like, I was here.
Come back and.
But if like your dog dies, are you burying your dog? No.
Not.
No.
Well,
so right now you're doing this whole thing. You're better than your dog. You shit in the house.
And I flush it down the toilet and it goes away from me.
But does Brownie have a toilet?
She shits in the world. She goes outside and shits on the tree.
But if dogs had a toilet, would you look at her differently? Would you respect her autonomy as a person?
If she used the toilet?
If she used it
autonomously?
Yeah, if she had a toilet.
I would hell yeah. I would have an Instagram for my dog. You know how people just have an Instagram for no reason? Just like, here's my dog.
And the way you view Brownie is the way America views black people. Because
Wow.
hot take.
Wow.
Because once you own something, you can never view it as an equal. So therefore, I'm going with this hot take, and I'm not done, and I'm pulling up for half court.
Okay.
That's why black people will never be equal in America, because at one time they were property, and they will always be viewed as property. They will always be viewed as pets.
Wow. Okay.
I said that.
All right.
I made some of y'all uncomfortable. Guess what? Jesus RBG is back.
All right.
Got my fist in the air.
I can't wait. I love it.
Can't wait. Teach these devils.
I can't wait. Yo, listen.
Blew your minds on that one. And I was right. I stand by that.
Ginger Ale, stay on the phone, please.
Guess what? Red Bull ain't gonna drop me as a sponsor for saying that. Red Bull don't know what the fuck I say on this shit.
They have no idea.
They have no idea.
They don't even speak
like,
English.
They're gonna be like, did he do a kickflip on a BMX bike? No? Okay, we don't care.
Okay, we're not interested.
Make him jump across the Grand Canyon on a hoverboard.
Yeah. Yo, now I'm thinking about Brownie shitting in a toilet.
Yeah. Does that make you uncomfortable?
And it doesn't make me uncomfortable. It makes me very proud.
You ever read Animal Farm?
I'm reasonably proud of Brownie for shit. Yeah.
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 You did not.
Absolutely, yeah.
What happens in Animal Farm?
Animal Farm, the pigs, the animals are animals. They live an animal lifestyle. Then they chase the farmer off the farm. They become autonomous, and they turn into the thing that they hated the most, which is people. Wow. You know what I'm saying?
I feel like you read the Spark Notes, but whatever. We'll go with that.
No. I read that shit several times, and then I worked in a school and I had to teach
That's
it.
True.
Yeah.
That's true. That's true.
So so there's all types of themes and shit that we're not gonna get into because comic.
What if you come home and like Brownie is kissing your wife, like, mwah, and now he's paying the bills and shit?
First of all, I would respect my wife's agency. You know what I'm saying, and her decision to be gender
Brownie
fluid.
just blowing out that pussy on the fucking living room.
Well, they'd be tribbing because Brownie's a girl.
Yeah. Well, Brownie, use your card to order a strap on.
Brownie.
Wow, this
have
got
a
dark
phone.
fast.
Yeah, where we go with this? Whoa!
Listen,
this guy went from like black people will always be hated in America to bestiality to fucking.
I feel like this is on brand.
Whoa!
This is on brand. This is what happens when you record at 11:30 a.m. on Thursday.
This guy has consumed 87 ounces of beer.
My mother's staying with me. Someone got these jokes.
What the fuck is happening?
I was up at 2 a.m. this morning. Like, should I just smother her with a pillow?
You okay, sis?
She's like, "Don't kill me, because then I can't use my return ticket." I was like, "You're right.
Okay.
You're right."
What happens with that? Can you use your return ticket if she dies? That's the Psycho Part 3 right there. Has it been a sequel
because
to
as
Psycho?
a Jamaican, I wouldn't feel bad about smothering her with the pillow. I'd feel bad about wasting the ticket, so I'd have to dress up as her and go to Florida.
That's
only right.
sequel to Psycho.
That's only right. The Jamaican version of Psycho. I just stab my father as he's packing a barrel. As he's picking a chair out of someone else's garbage.
Oh my god!
This is good wood. This is actual good wood. This is not pressed wood.
And you guys sleep
solid wood, solid maple.
And they sleep in different rooms, so he'll never find out.
He'll never find out. So I can't wait to be an old West Indian couple and just beef about goat meat bones. Shout out to Rihanna for ignoring my last 2 podcasts.
Did she ignore it?
No, she's never like a tee or something.
How do you know she's not like sending you vibes? How do you know she's not on a level where she's trying to communicate with you otherworldly and you're not just receiving
even
it?
an LOL text from Rihanna would destroy my life.
Imagine.
Like I couldn't go back to normal.
What if she's like LOL WYD?
Oh my god! Oh,
like for real,
dog. Like I'd be like that cop shooter. I'd be smearing blood on the wall, throwing that shit. Dog, like that's all I want, man. Wow. Now she with Drake now. She with Drake.
I don't know.
Oh, listen. I mean, I'm not gonna be gassed, but you see me, you see Drake. Who do you think is really gonna beat it up? All right, who's on his third Bex at 11:30 a.m. on Thursday? Yo. You seen Drake and Sandals, you see me in Tim's.
But Drake probably would eat the pussy for hours though. He's mad sensitive. Niggas down there just fucking.
I won't eat the pussy. I'll berate.
And you be like, boy, cats, me not eating the pum pum.
No, I'll berate the pussy. Just yell at it.
Bad man not eating the pussy, all.
Me not eat from a table down there. Bad man to put his lips on the lips so I can't talk.
Bad man eating a pussy, all.
Me go to say the island for the
mad?
seafood.
She's like, yo, eat the pussy. You be like, you mad?
You're mad. Your mother skunt. Me not eat her. Mad.
Yeah, Drake
like,
be like,
work. I'm like, no.
Drake just be on the pussy like,
You can't. You can eat pussy, but you can't like be vocal. But you can't be on Twitter like, damn, I can't. I need some pussy to eat.
Oh, but,
you have to begrudgingly eat the pussy.
I love eating pussy.
Yeah, but you're Dominican.
Culture. Yeah, I love eating pussy.
Anytime you meet a woman in your head right away, I can see you're like sizing her up, like what her pussy tastes like. You know, like
there's several flavors, but yo, this is the thing. Think about it when you're getting phenomenal toppy,
right?
The frame of mind that you're in.
Mm-hmm.
Shorty's in complete control of that situation.
Right.
Because you're just like out of this world. If I'm eating the choach, you know what I'm saying, and Shorty's going crazy.
Right.
She's experiencing. No, but lit.
Oh, in the lit way.
Yeah,
okay.
in the lit way. Not crazy like,
Crazy asterisk. That's what we're going to use now.
Yeah, crazy asterisk. She's going crazy asterisk.
Right.
I'm in total control of the situation. It's really, it's like a power trip too thing. You know what I'm saying?
Let me paint a picture. Let me explain to you once and for all why Jamaicans don't eat pussy. The island of Jamaica is very dusty.
I've heard this theory before. I can't wait for y'all to hear it, though. I've heard this theory before. I can't wait.
The natural plant is a thistle.
Okay.
So, if you just imagine just my ancestors, my grandma and shit, you work in the field, you making cassavas and shit. You know, there's only but so much water.
So grandma came through with the musty choach.
You know, you ever ate some greens and there's sand in it? So there was like the first dude in Jamaica was like, nah. Like he was like,
that's where Dusty Desus comes from. It was passed down for generations.
Sad, like Mr. Krabs.
Yeah.
So because the first choach eaten in Jamaica, the Breaker Island, had sand in it. That's what happened.
They swore it off forever.
And they wrote it in the Bible, the Jamaican Bible, which was probably a Super Cat song.
Damn.
And that's why Jamaicans don't eat pussy.
Listen, Dominicans eat a lot of pussy because the same thing happened.
Because you know what? Because Dominican
Republic.
The Dominican Republic is a part of the island that's very fertile. There's less dust.
No, but there's a lot.
Or the dust is in Haiti.
Haitians
think
eat
about
pussy
it.
too. Shout out to my Haitians. Like I say, y'all niggas eat pussy.
Haitians eat everything. That wasn't a dig. I realized after I said that, it came out mad fucked up.
No. What's the deal? We out here. But the same thing happened. Is just the Dominican dude ate an oyster first, and there was sand in the oyster, but he didn't care because it was delicious, and he applied the same logic to pussy. Like, yo, even though there's sand in this pussy, this shit is popping. Let's get it. You know what I'm saying?
That's not how pussy eating got invented in Dominican Republic.
It is.
The first dude.
You ever ate an oyster off the
first
bucket?
dude hit
Yo, talk about. All my niggas out there. Yo, if you've never been on the beach and had an oyster out of a 5-gallon paint bucket fresh out the ocean, my guy, you have not lived, dog.
The first Dominican guy, he hit a single and ran the first base and ate pussy. Because that's all they do was play baseball out there. And one of the Yankee scouts was like, sign that nigga.
Sign him. Sign that nigga immediately.
He slid the second. He ate some pussy. Slid the third. Ignored his kid. And slid home and got a white wife and then came back.
He slid it to home. He slid it to third and gave his kid $500. Cash.
That's a lot more than Robinson Cano gave his kid.
I thought that's why I said that because he thought it was 500.
Was it 500?
It was like 500 or 600.
Damn.
Which listen, you got to hear both sides. In Dominican Republic, $600 is a lot of money when you exchange it. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just saying.
What amount? Okay, God forbid. Knock on Red Bull table. Heather leaves you.
Okay.
What amount of child support do you feel is acceptable for your 3 kids?
Damn.
5,000?
If it was child support is monthly.
Yeah.
Right?
5,000 a month?
Not quarterly. I would say 10.
10?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, cause 3. It's 3 kids.
3 kids.
You know what I'm saying? You figure like $2,500 a piece.
Don't you want her to like make do with
and
it though?
Like
maybe the kids don't need like
she'd
brand
be fine,
name
bro.
shit.
She'd be fine. She'd be fine. I honestly, she probably wouldn't even do all that.
Yeah.
Yeah. She probably never do all that. She'd be like, yo, you know what I'm saying? Like, yo, I'm out, nigga, but
for 10, I'll kill her.
Come.
I'm dead ass. I'm dead ass.
I wouldn't do that to my kids.
Yeah.
They need their mother. Yo, your mother's so important.
No, you popping. You popping. You get a new mother.
But no. I don't want to do that.
Who would you replace Heather with? What celebrity? If you could, any celebrity. Who you could replace the sponsor's choach? Susan Sarandon?
Also, nah. Oprah? Nah, not Oprah. Oprah's rich. Oprah because she's rich and she would give my kids everything in the world. Exactly. My kids would each have a helicopter.
Yeah, but you wouldn't be in love.
I wouldn't be thinking because I'm not even thinking like I'm gonna be in love with this bitch and shit. Because there's something about sharing that experience with a person that brings you close together.
Yeah,
and you can't even if somebody came and took care of my kids. Yeah, they didn't have my kids. You know what I mean? They weren't there like while the Pokemon egg was being hatched. You know what I'm saying? So it's very different. So
no, I get that. I get that because I was on the dance floor at Output. On Friday and Controller came on. Yeah. And the experience me and the girl had was grinding. You know,
that's it, bro. Like, yo, it's like, yo,
that's what a relationship is,
we were together for this moment and like this magical thing happened.
Out, right?
Yeah. It's literally like dancing to Controller for 9 months.
Or Kurt Lord.
But yeah, maybe Oprah, I guess. I feel like
Rachel
I had this conversation. Rachel, is she gonna continue to be popping? I need somebody that's wealthy.
Rachel Ray is wealthy.
So I show my kids.
How much is Rachel Ray worth?
Off the top of my head, I say 40 million.
60 mil.
Damn.
60 mil.
60 million?
Yeah.
She didn't even look at his phone, dog. He said that. Can we just have a moment
Shout out to Sean. Vic still got it.
Applause.
Vic still got it. Victor's like some guy that just got out of jail that used to kill mad people in the hood.
Oh, yeah.
And he reached for somebody, and then that person disappears. You're like, damn.
Snatching. Nigga got him.
Shit.
Victor got him.
Yo, Calvin from 85 still got it.
Victimizer.
60 million. What would I do with $60 million?
Die.
Other than die.
Yeah. Die.
How quick would you die after you get $60 million?
Probably 6 months.
3 days.
3 days?
3 days.
Yeah.
3 days. They find me on the top of the Liberty Tower. Just naked. No dick. I didn't use the door to get up there. I used K2. Climbed up using my toes.
Yeah.
They're like, these is nice. Overdose. Blah, 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 blah.
Yo, actually, the shit that you were saying about who would I replace Heather with, I actually feel like I had that conversation with her, but it was like, who's it okay to smash, like, in Hollywood? And for some reason, I feel like we landed on Diane Keaton, which I would never smash.
That's the thing. When you ask your mate who
can
can they smash, they're gonna give you like some whack dub or whatever. Also, if the thing is like it's dangerous now because you can actually meet these people.
Yeah.
And like,
where the fuck am I gonna meet Diane Keaton?
You met that white chick. I don't know who she was in front of the hotel.
Kate Walsh. Shout out to Kate
I still
Walsh.
have no idea who she is.
Shout out to Kate Walsh.
You know. Would you smash her?
She's like mad primetime TV late white.
You give her the dills?
Nah, like in my current situation, like I'll have to finesse and cheat to smash, or like I'm totally single and
it was a simple yes or no. I don't know. Like now you're building Lego blocks and shit.
Yeah, I mean, because it's very different. You know what I'm saying?
She meets you. She's like, "Oh my god, kid Mero," and she jumps down on her knees and like, "Pull out your cock."
I'm like, "Nah, I can't do that."
Yeah,
that's no. You can't. That's
because your wife likes her too.
That's violation.
Yeah.
Heather roll up like, "Yo, fuck Kate Walsh, nigga. Heather, nigga, banging on my chest. You heard me? Banging my motherfucking chest, nigga. It's my dick, nigga. What's up? Fuck you, Kate Walsh. This what's popping."
Oh wow, wow.
Hey, nigga, what's up? I pull up banging on my chest. Wearing mad babe.
I'm just out there like leaning also K2 like
yeah. Oh my god.
We touched on everything. Did we touch on everything on the running show today?
I wouldn't fuck Kate Walsh though.
Okay.
Would you?
I don't know who she is.
You saw her though.
Listen, can I be racist? Mm-hmm. She looked like every white woman I've ever seen in my whole life.
Okay.
Like I can't. I have to Google her right now. I do not remember what she looks like.
She does. There's like 15 white ladies in Hollywood that all look the same.
She looks like Rosanna Scotto from Fox News if she was younger or something. I don't know.
And more white. Rosanna Scotto looks like ethnically ambiguous.
Rosanna Scotto is hot. I always say that.
Rosanna Scotto.
I only say that as a New York guy. All right.
Yeah.
Please.
Shout out to all my New York
husband's
dudes
in the mafia. Please do not kill me.
Don't kill him. Shout out to all my New York dudes who find Rosanna Scotto attractive, who find Tina Servasio attractive.
What was that?
The girl in the Good to Go commercial.
Mm-hmm.
Who else?
What's the chick from?
Who's regionally attractive?
What's that chick from Channel 4? And she was like, "What the fuck are you doing?"
Janice Huff.
Janice Huff is hot. Basically, any regional meteorologist, something like
poppin'.
You're hot.
Popping.
Everyone on Bronx 12 is hot.
Yeah.
Shout out to Amanda.
Hey.
Yeah,
that's a look for you. That's a good look. For
what? Dating someone from Bronx 12?
Wife and Amanda.
Amanda's Bossard?
Yeah. I'm playing. Yo, shout out to Amanda. Bossing up.
She listens to this as she's editing something, as she's shooting something at the same time. Like, I do not have time for the shenanigans.
She's about to DM you with like her foot.
She'll be like, "Yo, I don't got time for this.
Yeah. Shout out to Yo, did you hear the fucking News 12 reporter got robbed on the air?
I did not. Sue Simmons.
Shout out to Sue Simmons.
Sue Simmons could get it.
You know what I'm saying?
She got the vintage choach.
You know what I'm saying? Oak barrel choach.
All right.
You know what I mean?
Got robbed on the air for real?
Yeah.
Damn.
Wild.
That's fucked up.
Shit is real in the field.
This is getting scary.
I was just glad there wasn't Amanda.
Shout out to Andrew Zimmer, who had his episode of Bizarre Foods, the Bronx episodes.
Okay.
You know, say it was a cool episode. I watched it.
All right.
You know, Bourdain episode was better. A little guy named Desus Nice was on there. You know, shout out to my dude Bourdain. He was out in City Island. This is the cops shoot shit, and he paid for all my meals. I felt like the wild thotty.
Oh, that's right. Oh, I thought you meant like he was out there right now. This Zimmer dude,
he does Bizarre Foods.
So what did he?
Bourdain does like regular food.
Regular, like, yo, this is like low key spots.
That was the first time I seen people hop on someone's dick because the cops pulled over and hopped out and was like, "Yo, can we take a picture with you, Anthony Bourdain, on White Plains Road?" So,
shout out to Anthony Bourdain.
And shout out to my mother who was visiting at the time when I shot the Bourdain shit, and she was like, "Where are you going?" I was like, "I have to go shoot something with Anthony Bourdain." She goes, "Oh." I was like, "What?" I was like, "That's really."
She don't give a fuck.
I was like, "That's your."
She don't give a shit.
She was like, "Oh."
My mom saw me in a picture with Kanye and was like, ¿Quién es este morenito? Es un primo tuyo.
I'm like, oh. My father, after he saw my Bourdain episode, he was like, congrats on ruining your career. I was like, what? I was like, I'm sorry, I'm not fluent in hater. Like, what the fuck are you talking about?
Congrats on ruining your career.
Because I made like a white people joke or some shit.
Oh, okay.
I remember I said something about white people that kiss dogs.
In the mouth? Yeah.
Shout
out everybody kiss their dogs in the mouth.
Like, white people love me. Shout out to all 25 white people who have tweeted out Black Lives Matter.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
Shout out to all y'all.
Shout out to all you people in my mentions talking about all lives matter. Because we're at the point now that if you are tweeting out all lives matter, you're just being obtuse. Like, you know that it's a response to Black Lives Matter and you're being a dick. Because no one said it was Black Lives Matter only. But, you know, you want to be on your J-Lo and tweet out all lives matter. J-Lo doesn't even run her Twitter account. It's a sassy, chubby Puerto Rican kid from the South Bronx. Yeah. His name is Hector.
Is it?
But he has an accent over the O.
Is it really?
It is.
He has an accent over the O?
Yeah.
Hector.
He works in Sephora in his time off. And, you know, he's running that account. And then he had to apologize for that all lives matter tweet. J-Lo does not run her Twitter account, dog.
No, I know she doesn't, but it's a dude who has another job. I thought it would just be like an assistant. And it's just like just another thing that her assistant does.
Oh, okay. The facts don't matter. I just made that up.
Oh, okay, good. Okay. I was like, wow, that's weird. I was like, you know a lot about that. I was like, what the fuck? I was like, did you know?
You know what it is?
Did you kill this guy?
No, the thing is that you forget is I like to lie.
That's true.
That's what I do. I do it well.
Every time, you know what's
crazy? I
slang
that deck and I lie.
You know what's crazy? I get so smacked every time we come here that I forget that.
Shout out to everyone that was in my mentions like about Frederick Douglass.
Yeah.
I know when the fuck Frederick Douglass was born. I'm fucking with Mero.
I forget that you're a tremendous liar. Every time I get mad high.
You know what it is? Because I'm a sociopath. Because I'm able to lie without showing any expression in my face or changing my vocal tone. One of my ex-girlfriends pointed it out to me. She was like, you could literally tell me my mother died right now and you can do it so convincingly that I can't trust you.
That's actually a good
And I
skill.
said to her, guess what?
I stand in front of the judge about to lie, plus I'm high too.
Yeah.
That's right.
So, you know, that's what it is. You know, I don't want to lie, but, you know, sometimes, you know, the truth. Oh, fuck.
What? Somebody died?
Prince died.
Got
him!
Yeah.
Oh,
Shout out to the purple one.
Shout out to the purple one. It's purple rain, purple. That's not a funny joke because some people are really convinced. Some people are really hurt by the whole
Prince dying. But
guess what? Fuck
Yo,
that.
People die, man. Life
People
is
die.
not
People
infinite.
die every day. People die from the cops.
Just be glad that you have a legacy
Zika.
of work and 38 albums to listen to.
Or be happy you're still alive and you got 30 episodes of Bodega Boys to listen to. 30 episodes. Listen to them back to back to back. That will take you approximately a lot of time.
Mad hours.
At least
30 hours.
At least 30 hours. You can listen to it while America burns and it's slow slimmer. Like, what's the name of that whack place? It is not City Island, but people go there for like seafood, and I think they have it in Palisades Mall. Joe's Crab Shack?
Joe's Crab Shack.
Yeah. That's not real seafood, by the way.
It's not.
How you gonna get seafood in the mall, dog?
But it's like fake it's like fake bougie. It's like I feel like it's in the power rankings, it's like right below Cheesecake Factory.
Cheesecake Factory's pretty high.
You know what I'm saying? That's what I'm saying.
You know?
As far as chains.
Why you like to fight with me, you know I like to go there.
You know what I'm saying? That's what I mean.
Don't fight
Cheesecake Factory is pretty cool.
All right, here's the rankings. Here's the thought restaurant rankings.
Cheesecake's number one.
No.
Fam, don't even come.
No. Number one is Red Lobster. Off the rip. Red Lobster is number one.
What are we going for?
We're working down.
Are we going? Okay.
We're working down.
Okay, so we're going backwards.
Right.
Okay. All right.
Red Lobster off the rip.
Okay, you got that.
Olive Garden.
Okay. Yep.
Cheesecake Factory.
I feel like Cheesecake Factory's a little lower.
Really?
Yeah. Just because it. And now Drake is talking about it, so now that boosted it even more.
I feel like Cheesecake Factory is better than Olive Garden.
That's what I'm saying.
Right.
But we're going backwards. We're going from worst to best.
Okay.
Yeah. I feel like Cheesecake Factory should be at the bottom of the list as the best shitty chain restaurant.
No, you're fucking up the list. Like, the best is Red Lobster. Like, that's the creme de la creme. Like, if you really love a chick, you take her to Red Lobster. Yeah. You ain't taking your side chick to Red Lobster, dog.
That's where you take your side chick to make her feel valid.
You do not take your side chick to anything other than Olive Garden or the end of City Island. Because then she's going to start catching feelings and be like, yo, this guy loves me.
Wow.
Because if you take her to Red Lobster, there's a chance she could order the Lobster Fest, which is like $45 or some shit like that. Then what you gotta do?
But then you got to know who you're dealing with.
Then you got to be like, yo, you don't got $45 head.
Yo, KD said he's not a $150 player.
Exactly.
You know what I'm saying? So
Listen,
it's okay for you to say
you're
that.
married. You don't deal with this shit. I gotta deal with this shit. There's certain restaurants you can take a chick to.
Oh, so it's changed. What I'm saying is, when I was in the game,
When you were in the game,
Red Lobster was where you
just got
took,
out of jail.
You know what I'm saying?
You got your evidence bag
You
under
took
your arm.
you took your side joint to Red Lobster that she felt like she was the main joint.
No.
But if you took your main joint to Red Lobster, she's like, "Yo, you think I'm your side joint?"
Nah, Red Lobster is the creme de la creme. Because Beyonce said Red Lobster.
Now, right?
The,
So
the
that
game has shifted.
Okay.
You can't take someone who's not wifey to Red Lobster.
Beyonce did that by herself.
She did it by herself.
Because prior to that was not the case.
You could take someone who's not wifey to the Red Lobster in Co-op City. That's different. 'Cause that's a like a Red Lobster. You gotta put your gun on the table, let niggas know.
That's the only Red Lobster I know.
That's the only Red Lobster I know. You gotta bust a shot in the air if you want to get water.
That's literally the only Red Lobster I've been to besides the one in Times Square.
Yeah.
I've never been to any other Red Lobster. So
Where the
fact
fucking
that that's
waitress comes over and is like, "Yo, welcome to Red Lobster. How can you help you?" And she's like stacking a gang.
Yeah. She's like, "Yo, y'all want to sit?"
What's up? Kill a slide when I see a slide. Welcome
know
to
what
Red
I mean?
Lobster. How can I help
Whatever.
you? You know the red to the sun.
You know what I mean?
Sun goes out the sky.
That red be like,
What that red be
what
like?
block you jacking, my nigga?
All right, red
you know what I'm
lobster.
saying? What section you in?
What's good?
You know what I mean?
Go get your face cut, bitch. You look cute though.
That lobster's blue in the tank, but it's about to be red. You heard me?
Better dead than red. You know what I'm saying?
Blah.
Black. Our specials today are flounder.
I'm not fucking with no flounder at Red Lobster. I am sorry.
That's not flounder. That's like
yeah.
that fish that fell out in the
That's
parking
Nemo,
lot.
nigga.
They
That's
just throw
Dory.
That shit in there.
Niggas eating Dory out here. Wildin'.
Red Lobster's cool though.
Red Lobster's cool. I fuck with lobster because they have the lobster in the tank.
Yeah. Those aren't the lobsters you eat though.
That's not.
No.
They gas you.
They gas you. It's
They gas you.
lies.
See?
Tell me
Oh, so that's
lies,
why you
tell
like
me
it so
the
much. Because it's a
lies.
deceitful.
It's deceitful. Like America.
Psychopathic.
You know what I'm saying? We out here.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah, shout out to
America's built on lies and the backs of slaves
It
and
is.
Pokemon.
Yo, shout out to Native Americans. Nobody ever talks about Native Americans.
That's true.
White people came here, killed all of them.
Because you know what it is? Native Americans got wiped out before they could make a hashtag.
Yep. Y'all would have had Twitter. Y'all would have been good.
They would have.
This would be the United States of Native Americans.
It's true.
You know what I'm saying?
And people don't remember them. Also, some Native Americans had slaves. So it's kind of like, oh.
Oh, word?
Yes, because here's the thing about being problematic. It's like, rest in peace, this week, Sandra Bland died.
Yep.
Sandra Bland had a video out about gays.
She's like, fuck
She's
gay people.
like,
Yeah, I
fuck
hate
with
gay people.
gays.
Yeah.
So that kind of, it's divisive. And that's all it takes is a little, just a little chink in the armor.
Right.
Chink is a slur, but not when you use it talking about ceramics.
Right.
That's all it takes. That little break right there, and then you are forgotten to the ages. You see how that beer almost fell, but I caught it?
Damn. Reflexes of a cat. A duppy cat.
Thundercat.
You know what cat?
Even there, the little
Magic
faggot cat. Can't say that. It's problematic.
It's problematic.
No, that's actually
It's
what they said in Jamaica.
Like what goes on. They said that.
They did say that.
But yo, listen, the cultures are different. You know what I'm saying?
Was that deep? Was that deep? Coaches are different. That's one to grow on from Mero.
You know what I'm saying?
Yo.
You can really boil shit down to that every time.
Culture's
There's shit
different.
that is perfectly okay in DR that's not okay in the United States. There's shit
Right.
that's perfectly okay in the United States that's not okay in Norway. There's shit that's okay in Norway.
So
that's
should we
not
respect
okay in
other
Saudi
people's
Arabia.
cultures, even if like we find them oppressive to what we know?
I don't know. I feel like if that's the thing about America. America's tricky because like if you are in France, you're French, and it's like, yo, we could trace our lineage back and blah blah blah. America doesn't really belong to anybody except Native Americans.
No, the question was,
You know what I'm saying?
if people are doing something in another culture that you don't accept,
As Americans, I feel
like.
like all Americans should shut the fuck up about other places.
Oh,
You know what I'm saying?
so you basically you're saying you stand in support of female genital mutilation?
Absolutely.
Wow.
No, I don't. I'm not down with it, but I'm like, yo, y'all niggas is doing that over there. Y'all do that over there.
No.
That's y'all business.
No,
You know what I'm
we
saying?
gotta stop other cultures from doing all this fucking wild shit.
See, that's when you start getting
All right?
into Team America.
No.
America.
Sometimes
Fuck
it's
yeah.
Team America.
Police, the world police.
But if it's just
Police
like
the world.
if we're just like burning gay people with tires, maybe we gotta step
That's
in.
a little crazy. That's
I hear
when
that.
that's when you send a nigga over there like, yo, y'all can y'all chill?
Yeah.
You know what I mean? You don't go over there and drone strike.
Listen, the world history. Oh my God, we should start drone strikes in Jamaica.
You know what I mean?
Can we do? No.
Nah.
Just blow up niggas' tanks.
Because you'll blow up 10 Timothys at Sandals
shit.
Resort.
Oh my God.
And it'll be a tragedy.
He blew up the beef patty reserves.
Oh
Blow up Appleton Estates.
no. Yeah. No.
I am one day going to be the sole ruler of Jamaica. I don't understand how you people don't realize this.
I believe in you.
I'm going to become drunk with power. I'm going to take over Appleton Estates in a coup.
Do you have citizenship?
I do not. I don't need it. Because my cousin Barrington has 6 jet skis.
Okay.
So we got that.
You gotta get your citizenship. Yo, if I have the ability to
I'm going to get
dual
Dudis to
citizenship,
back
you gotta
us.
do it.
It's going to be great. Sheldon is going to be my prime minister at war. It's going to be lit. We're coming back. We're setting tire fires in the street. We're going to remake that belly scene.
I'm like, Prime Minister, do you have a comment here? Jump on wave, jump on wave, jump on wave.
Wave.
That's a national anthem. We're gonna change it to jump on wave.
Movado's gonna be our national anthem.
Anyway.
Anyway. Sizzler Dry Cry is going to be the national anthem, and every time we sing it, I'm just gonna reminisce on the X.
Oh my god.
Dry Cry.
Yeah.
You know that. Listen, if you've never been to a club, going through your feelings, listen to Sizzler Kalungi Dry Cry.
Oh man.
That's like that. Are you familiar with that song?
Shut the sizzler.
That's
I would know it by ear.
It's about about a girl that. Oh man, I can't even think about it now. It hurts the stomach.
It hurts.
Hurts me in my plums. Yo, it's been episode 30.
Whoa.
It's your boys, Jesus Nice, a.k.a. Pocket State Fat Lacterio, a.k.a. Chris That's Pro Sling This, a.k.a. Eli Litby. And if you're listening to that, Eli Litby is a play on Eli Whitley, the inventor of the cotton gin.
Oh, shit.
I ruined it right there. Butcher's Gully, Slow But I Might Know Your Bitch, Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Fuego, Mr. Nando's with a Rondo. What? 1994, a.k.a. Macau Going Off, a.k.a. Your Problematic Babe.
Baby. Yo, it's the Human Durag Flap. Your boy, the Kid Mero. East Tree, my Stevie B. You already know what time it is. Donovan McDab. You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. Curve Gotti.
Dab.
You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. Ben Smack Biombo. A.K.A.
Smack.
Feel the Ass Tyson.
Feel him.
You know what I'm saying? Coming to my cosmos. Check the guest list, nigga, because I'm definitely on it. Don't fuck with me.
Twice.
If you see me on the fucking phone at Target, wait until I get off before you approach me and ask for a selfie.
And approach like a bear.
You know what I'm saying?
Approach like a bear.
From the side.
Like that movie with the guy from Inception, Leonardo DiCaprio.
Wow. Wow.
What do you think happened at the end of Inception? Do you think he
woke up.
He woke up? You think he woke up?
I think he woke up.
Yeah.
He woke up and Rihanna was laying next to him. Oh. And he was like, oh, it's lit.
Oh.
Yeah.
Damn.
And he was like,
her,
life
right?
is like a dream.
Damn.
Leonardo DiCaprio
Slinging dick.
had his D in Rihanna to the hilt, and y'all niggas haven't. That's why you a broke boy and he's not.
Damn,
you
you just ruined my day.
You know what I'm saying? That's
All
it.
right. Well,
He had them ankles up.
guess what?
She's like, wine pon your cocky.
If you're listening to this, if you time, it's now 11:52 a.m. If you time this to the NYC transit reports, I will be jumping in front of a train in 10 minutes. We out!